simple way. So even if you have no idea, even if you are a first timer, this is for you. This is for you. Okay, are you ready? Can I have a ready in the chat? Is your chat working? Can I see that? Can you give me a ready in the chat? Are you ready? Yes. Perfect. Yes. All right. Thank you. Absolutely. Right. Lovely. Thank you for all the readies. Thank you for all the readies in the chat. Thank you. चल आगे चलते हैं. About me, a lot of you have asked me who am I. Let me quickly tell you. My name is Professor Vinny Arora. I'm a global finance expert with a decade of experience for a company called Standard and Poor. Okay, how many of you heard the name S&P 500, S&P Nifty Index, HP Sense? कितने लोगों ने सुना S&P का? How many of you have heard the name called S&P? Yeah, me S&P 500. That is a US index, correct? US index. और India का index भी है ना? Both all the indexes, the US index and also Indian index has been made by S&P, and I used to work in that company. I worked there for almost a decade there. Okay, all right. What next? I have experience in the equity market. When I say equity, जब भी मैं आज equity बोलूँगा, that means stock. So I have experience in the equity market. I've worked there for almost a decade. I've been doing that since almost 2 decades now. So that is my experience for you. So 2 decades of rich experience of investing and selecting stocks in the Indian stock market and abroad. I've handled millions of dollars of private placement and IPO market. कितने लोगों ने IPO सुना है? Can you give me a yes, no? IPO. How many of you heard the word called IPO? Oh, I'm going to break a lot of myths on IPO also. IPO कितना सुना है? IPO? Okay. Perfect. I see that. Okay. We will talk about it. I've worked in the IPO industry. I'm also an expert in picking small cap stocks and mutual funds for self and investors and helping them achieve financial goals. Before I begin, I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be not talking. I'm going to be showing you today how you can pick small cap stocks, my multi-bagger small cap stocks, and how you can pick these small caps and mutual funds today via a process-driven strategy. Okay? Alright. More about me, guys. More about me. I am also a SEBI registered investment advisor. Listen to me very, very carefully. Listen to me very, very carefully. What does that mean? What does that mean? There are only 961 registered investment advisors in the entire country of 140 crore Indians. Who are these people? These are people plus companies who have been licensed by SEBI to give you investment advice. So rest of the people can call themselves financial planner, wealth builder, XYZ. They cannot call themselves investment advisor. I got this license. Why? Because I wanted to tell people that you're learning from the right source. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. And SEBI gave me that authority. Okay, now you can go and help people with their investment advice. Alright, 960 people, entire country of 140 crore Indian. You can understand कितने कम लोग हैं. Yeah? Okay. What next? Got it. I'm also a professor of finance at University of Delhi and a doctorate. I hold a PhD in finance. Correct. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. 10 years of teaching experience in the equity market and trading, deep understanding of investor psychology and stock picking and history of picking winner stocks. As I told you, I'm a SEBI registered investment advisor and I've advised thousands of clients and learners in the last 5 years. This is what I do. This is my bread and butter. I'm also a certified investment banker. This is for you, Professor Vinny Arora. Okay, now, too much about me. It needs to be about you. So let me quickly tell you, how many of you have seen me on social media? ये देखो सामने हूं मैं. How many of you have seen me on social media? Sure. All right. No problem, Vicky Raghuramji. If you start just now, we're just starting up. A lot of people are saying yes, not yet seen. I have no. Okay, you can see me now. This is me, Professor Vinny Arora. Money versus me. That's my handle. I'm on Instagram at Money versus me. We have a 2.5 lakh social media overall community. I'm also started recently YouTube. I'm also there. Recently started YouTube. Also on Instagram. Anybody who likes to connect can definitely connect and follow me and understand what I want to say. Okay, we are basically, I don't want people to, come and follow. The entire logic is let's connect and let's learn together. Okay, acha. Before I begin, it's very, very important thing before I begin. How many of you have heard the company called Ind Money? ये सच बताना. such. How many of you heard of the company called Ind Money? No, yes, Ind Money. App bhi hai, there's an app, there's a, okay, yes, no, yes, no, no, yes, no, no, okay, mixed, no, yes, no, heard, no, yes, okay, got it. Guys, I was invited by this company, Mint Money. It is one of the very good companies for a podcast. Okay, and I think you guys can make use of this. It is available on YouTube for free. It is one of the most played podcasts, one of the most. You can go and check it out. One of the most played podcasts by Ind Money, and a lot of people have made, used it for their reference, and you can also do that. Acha, how many of you heard of the company called Grow? This I need for honest. Yes or no? Grow. Have seen your podcast. Okay, couple of people are saying. Okay, Grow suna hai na? Yes. Okay, perfect. Lot of you, I think most of you have heard of it. I was also invited by Grow, guys. Yeah, lucky to have been invited by Grow. Again, one of the top played podcasts. And the most played shorts by Grow is mine. You can go and check it out. Filter kar sakte. Again, people are finding a lot of use case. You can go and check it out. It's for free. You'll be able to. It'll help you out a lot. Okay? Chalo. I will quickly move forward, but before I begin, I have one more update. Before I begin, everybody, I have one more update. Okay, what is that update? If you have joined in right now using your phone, it is absolutely okay. No problem with that. But if you have joined in using from your laptop, that is awesome. Why? Because it is going to be a hands-on workshop. So if you can log in with your laptop as well, laptop only, it will be beneficial for you. Why? Because I'm not going to just talk about it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to be telling you step by step how you can do it. It's a process, and I will tell you how to follow that process. So better if you're joining in your laptop, no recordings. So don't ask for me anywhere, social media, here, because we will not put the recording. There's a reason why, guys. There's a reason why. Earlier I used to give the recording. People just forget it. I want everybody to attend the session live, take notes, ask questions, and I will also share notes from my end so that you can practice later. So the entire logic is you be present and do it right now, because this 3 hours is going to change your life. That's a promise. I'll be answering all your questions towards the end. The logic, I don't want to disturb the flow. Okay, so at the end, keep your question with you. I'll answer each and every question so that you are able to understand. Okay. Second last, we have some amazing bonuses and surprises that are specifically made for you. Some custom AI tool as well. Okay, worth 11,800. Only thing I require from you, again, free for you. Only thing I require from you, and I want serious learners. Okay, so not for people who want to come for 10 seconds, 10 minutes and then run away. No. I want only serious learners. So if you are serious, you need to prove it by marking your attendance 100% at the end, and you can claim all your bonuses. Only serious learners, please. Okay. Last, a DrFinance certificate will also be given to all the participants, again with 100% attendance. What is the logic, guys? And understand this thing now. Somebody comes in for half an hour and 30 minutes and just understands very limited thing. Yes, notes will be provided. They understand very limited thing. Correct? And they want a certificate. Oh, you're getting a certificate by a SEBI registered guy. So you need to understand things, right? Hence, 100% attendance, serious participants will be given a certificate at the end. Are we good, guys? Are we good? Can I move forward now? Are we good? Yes? Can I have a quick raise of hand? Only thing expected from you, you give me 100% of your confidence, you give me 100% of raise of hand, I give you 300% back. That's a promise. That's the kind of energy I will bring. So can I have a raise of hands from everybody who's come right now? I begin in right now. Right away we are starting. Can I have a quick raise of hand? Everybody? Outstanding. I begin right away. Alright. Perfect. In front of you, this is interesting. Two childhood friends, 25 years old, started investing 2 years back. Listen to this very carefully. 25 years old, both the friends, they started investing 2 years back. The first friend. Now this guy, I call him the hard worker. Diligent guy, very, very diligent guy. He has an IT job, he has a 9 to 5 job, does his job, follows the market religiously, tracks the news, reads newspapers, reads research report. बहुत ध्यान से, he does it very very careful. Okay, let's see how he do. Let's see how his investment or how his investments are doing. His name is Ravi. He is the real deal. He is the hard worker. Let's see how Ravi is doing now. Ravi in front of you guys. Focus, very very careful. Very very careful. Ravi का investment देखते हैं. Ravi got in 10 lakh rupees. Ravi got in 10 lakh rupees, his own saving from his family, and he got 10 lakh rupees. ठीक है? He is able to generate an average return of 15% per annum. Decent return, decent. He wants to work till he turns 60, so 35 years is his timeline, and he expects to generate this 15% going forward also. Can you guess for me in the chat how much money will Ravi have at retirement? Can you tell me in the chat how much money will he have at retirement? Yeah, how much money will he have at retirement? Can you guess? Okay, 2, 1, 3, 8, 15, 2.5. In front of you, he will have around 13.3 crores wealth accumulation. 13.3 crore is what Ravi will have at the end. If he goes in the same path. Now, can you tell me, guys? And I know everybody knows this because everybody is on social media. So I want you to tell me. I will not tell you. What is that one thing? ध्यान से सुनना. What is that one thing that because of which Ravi's 13 crore will not be enough at 60? What is that one word? Because of this one word, Ravi's 13 crore will not be enough. What is that one word? Wow. I am getting, my chart is flooded, guys. I am so happy that you guys are aware of this. Hence, I don't want to spend time on it. I will read out the answer. It is a blanket inflation. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that it is inflation, point taken. Everybody knows. I will not spend time on it. Because of inflation, the value of money is falling. iPhone जो 1 लाख का आता था, the iPhone that you get for 80,000, 1 lakh is for 2 lakh rupees now. Correct? So the value of money is falling. Petrol, which was for 50 rupees a liter, is 100 rupees a liter now. Correct? So the value of money is falling. Everybody knows. So let's see the second friend now. Let's see the second friend. Now this guy also has a similar job, not the same company, a similar job. He is also investing. Okay, I call him the smart worker. His name is Prakhar, who uses AI to invest. Okay, he also has the same number of hours in the day. Name is Prakhar. He uses AI to invest. The difference, because he's leveraging AI and he's using AI, he's able to do more in a day. What do you mean by that? Because AI is your dirty assistant which helps you to do all the mundane work. You can do much more in the same amount of time. So let's see how Prakhar is doing, sir, ma'am. Prakhar also got the same 10 lakh rupees, his own money saved, some more money from his family and friends maybe. Okay. He is able to generate a 25% annum return. And he expects, so every year he'll not get 25, on an average he's getting 25, and that he expects to generate 25% on an average over a period of time till his retirement. Can you guess how much money will Prakhar have? Yeah, how much money will Prakhar have? Can you tell me? Right, Raghuramji, absolutely right. Absolutely right. No. Absolutely, a lot of people give me answer 20, 30, 40, 30, 50, 30, 40, 30, 25, 28, 45. Look at the screen, guys. Look at the screen. 246 crores. I'm removing the next number. It's also big, 50 lakh hai wo. 246 crores. That's the amount of money Prakhar will be able to accumulate. Now bring in inflation, bring in everything. Bring in anything. Okay, this amount will still be a lot. Now the question is, in front of you before I begin, this is traditional investment, this is AI based investing, wealth accumulation 13.31, wealth accumulation 246. Again, difficult to make 25%. I know, difficult to make 25%, but AI helps you, bring you very, very near and brings you your return percentage higher. That's the logic I'm trying to bring home. So guys, the question I want to ask everybody, why be a Ravi? Why be a Ravi when you can also use the same AI tools as Prakhar to do the hard work for you? Correct. Yes? Are you with me? Now, let me show you the magic of AI in investing today. I repeat, let me show you the magic of AI in investing today. And I promise by the end, you will be able to better select IPOs. Give me a raise of hand if you like what you're reading. You will be a better select IPO. Second, you will be able to better select mutual fund, because I will show you how you can select mutual fund. Not talk about it, show you, and you will be able to better select small cap stocks. Yes? Alright, perfect. So drop in an AI for me in the chat if you are ready to create wealth for yourself starting 2026 by using AI and invest like the top 1%. Can I see my chat flooded with AIs? Can I see my chat flooded with AIs? Everybody, and then we go right away. Can I get that AI from everybody in the chat? Can I get that? Yeah? I start in 5 seconds. Can I get all the AIs now? Outstanding. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have given me so much energy. Let me show you what I meant when I said 300% energy back. Let's go. Takeaway from today's session. Step 1, advanced IPO analysis using custom built AI for you. Second, selecting the right mutual fund, a real-time live I'll show it to you. Step 3, finding multi-bagger stocks using AI. And fourth, techno funda stock picking. This is, I have saved the best for the last, and you have to see this. Techno funda stock picking using AI. Basically, when to buy is also what I will tell you. Okay? When to buy, step 4. Alright? Chalo. Some of the tools for AI analysis that I will be using, and I also use it on a daily basis, are these in front of you: Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT, Ticker Tape, TradingView. These are some of the tools that I use, and I'll also be using it today. Most of them are free. Most of them are free. I don't think so you'll be needing any of the paid subscriptions. Okay? Answer? Chalo. Let me straight away begin, guys. Are we good? Chalo. Dhyan se sunna. Focus very, very carefully. Keep your glass of water, green tea, coffee, whatever you like with you. Have a pen and paper. Keep your phone away. Keep it on silent. Remove that. Just stay away from Instagram and WhatsApp for some time and focus today. This 3 hours is going to change your life. I'm telling you again. Okay. Now everybody knows what is an IPO. Yeah, or at least they think so. Guys, listen to me carefully for a couple of seconds. As the name suggests, people who don't know, initial public offering means a private company for the first time when it issues shares to the public. Let's say Flipkart or Myntra. Okay? Flipkart or Myntra, these are private companies. The first time they issue the shares to us, like you and me. Okay? Flipkart wants to raise money, they want to get listed. Then what do? They come to us. For the first time, if they come to us and take money from us and give us their share, that is called as initial public offering. Okay, understood? Now a lot of money can be made through IPOs. Why? Understand this? Because these are new companies who have not proven their mettle in the public market, and they want to do it. And if you get into it early at the right company, you can make a lot of money. Before I begin, I want to tell you, do you know the name called late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? Yes or no? Do you know the name called late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala? Yes? He left around 50,000 crore. He left around 50,000 crore for his family, and one stock, which was around 30% of his portfolio, was Titan. Correct? What is the logic? Titan was bought by late Rakesh Jhunjhunwala near the IPO price. Yes, so good companies at the right price, IPO specifically, can help you make a lot of money. So let us quickly begin now. Okay, some of the IPO stock. I've removed the name here. Last time I put the name here, people started buying these stocks. Aisa nahi karna hai. So have removed the name. I've written IPO stock 1. These are real charts. The right IPO stock. Let me show you how. In 5 months, this stock gave you doubled your money. 198% return. Which asset class does that? IPO stock 2 in front of you, this gave around 4 times return. 380% means 4 times your money in 5 months. So the logic is good IPO stocks can create a lot of them. Now let me show you. How many of you remember the Zomato IPO? Zomato sabko pata hai? Okay. Zomato came out with an IPO in 2021. Okay. Understood? 2021 it came out with an IPO. Listen to me carefully. Okay, the name of the Zomato company is now Eternal. Now let me show you how Zomato is doing. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'll go to this chart. Where is it? Yes, in front of you, I've already opened the Zomato chart. ध्यान से देखना, the name is Eternal. I told you. Here's Eternal. Let me show you what happened with Zomato. Carefully, careful. If you see here, this is where Zomato got listed around 115 rupees. This is what Zomato got listed in July 2021. ठीक है? ठीक है? Now see what happens to Zomato. In 1 year, this stock comes to 40 rupees. ठीक है? It comes to 40-45 rupees in 1 year. Wow, what happened to this? Let's say you got into Zomato not at 40. It's very difficult to predict the lowest price, correct? Or get out at the highest. Very difficult. So 40 नहीं, you got at 60. 50% extra. 50 भी नहीं, 60. And let's look at what happened to Zomato after 3 years. In 3 years, Zomato reached a high of 280 rupees from 60. So 280 nahi. You got around 240 only. 200, 240. You still made 3.5 to 4 times your money in 3 to 4 years. What is the logic? What is the logic I'm telling you? Guys, good IPO stocks. Just a second. Good IPO stocks can create a lot of wealth. Good IPO stocks can create a lot of wealth for you. Understood? Good IPO stocks can create a lot of wealth for you, and I've just shown it to you. So the question is, how to select the right IPOs for multi-fold return? Would you want to see that? Would you want to see that? Shall I show you live? Can I show you live? Would you want to see that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Let me show it to you, sir. Let me show it to you, ma'am. Hold on. Yes. Let's start with IPO analysis using AI. Focus, careful. I will go slow so that most of you can do it. Or not only learn, you can do it. Let's start with IPO analysis using AI, and I'll be using everyone's favorite ChatGPT. Okay, I'm making it simple. I'm not going for fancy rules. I'm making it simple so that you can do it. Let's start with IPO analysis using AI, but let me tell you one thing. Earlier, मैं क्या करता था ना? Earlier, what I used to do it, I had this big prompts. Are you looking at it? I have these big prompts that I used to do. I used to copy this, I used to paste it, and I used to do import, and I used to do analysis. But I have done something different now. Okay. Before that, let me show you. I have created something unique and something, given all my knowledge to it, I have created custom GPTs for you, specifically for you. Listen to me carefully. Okay. I have given this IPO, this is my assistant, this is my IPO assistant. ऐसे मेरे पास बहुत सारे assistant है. ठीक है, you see that? I am not relying on random responses from AI. ठीक है, they will hallucinate, they will give me random responses. I have given all my logic, all my information, build this IPO analysis personal finance assistant. ठीक है, this is just one small thing which I have given. Apart from this, I have given it multiple things to analyze an IPO for you and me. ठीक है, so we will do an analysis of IPO in front of you. I will show you how easy it is. First, I will click on this button, analyze an upcoming IPO. ठीक है, click. Now let's see what does it ask for. सब कुछ आपके सामने होगा. Come on. Yeah, it'll take a couple of seconds. Okay. I am your personal IPO assistant. To begin, please share IPO company name. अच्छा, tell me guys, Eternal से पहले which was the company that came out with an IPO? I will tell you guys. I will tell you how to create the assistant. Hold on. Just listen to me what I'm saying. I'll give you all the information. Just focus what I'm saying. I will tell you and give you all the things that you need. Okay. Which food delivery company came out with an IPO before Zomato? Food delivery company. Which food delivery company came out with an IPO after Zomato? After Zomato, कौन सा food delivery company आया? Swiggy आया. So let's do Swiggy for you. Let's do Swiggy. Okay, which IPO I want? Swiggy. Now a very important thing. It is asking for a DRHP, and everybody just need this now. Just needs this. Go to Google and write the name of the company, Swiggy. Now we need to write DRHP. ध्यान से देखो. Only 4-letter word. The magic 4-letter word, DRHP. This is the Gita for any IPO. You can write Zomato DRHP. You can write any DRHP. Let's say DRHP. And click enter. First link that comes up, press on it. ठीक है, first link ये आ गया सामने. This is a 532 page document. Sir, madam, honestly बताना, it is like a 532 page book. How long will you take to read this book? How long will you take to read this book? Telling me honestly, everybody. How long will you take to read this book? 1 week, 1 day, 1 month, one year? Okay, 1 week, 5 hour. Okay, very good. Months, 5 months, 2 days. Never. Week, 1 month, 10 days. 1 month, 1 week at least. 1 week. Okay, lot of replies, lot of replies, huh? Lot of replies. Let me tell you, ये क्या करेगा? Just go and download it here now. First step, download. I click on it, it downloaded. It's a 530 page document downloaded for me. Now, बस यही करना है. See in front of you, this is the document, guys. 532 page document gives everything about this company. ठीक है, अब वापस चलते हैं. Now I will go to my tool. Which is tool? The tool that I have created for you. Now I will go and add this tool. Okay, downloads में जाएंगे और ये वाला document add कर दिया. बस इसके अलावा एक और चीज करना है. I will quickly go and add a latest article which I have already taken out. Latest article about this IPO and click enter. Name of the company, the DRHP and a latest article if you can provide, and then click enter and wait for a couple of seconds. It will take couple of seconds. उसको करने दो आप. Let me show you one thing. It is already ready, but let me show you guys. You can also do a Zomato or any IPO that you want. I'll just telling you a secret. DRHP, or you want to do a latest one. It's Om Transmission. It's a small company. I don't want to do it. I'll just show you. It's a very small company. I will not invest in it, but I'm just telling you. Om Transmission, DRHP. This is the latest one, still going on. So you can do for any company and it will give you the DRHP. DRHP होता क्या है? DRHP is the draft red herring prospectus, which is like a Gita. It gives you all the information for it. Now let's go back and see what AI has done for us. Okay, everybody get ready because this company तो आपको पता था. You already know what this company does. Okay, you know what does Swiggy do, but if you don't know about Om Transmission, for example, you can find everything about Om Transmission in a matter of minutes like you have done right now. Chalo, let's see. IPO details. It gives you all the detail that you want here. Price band bhi de diya, what price is coming out, fresh issue, everything here. Okay, important में बता रहा है. Large OFH indicates early investor partially exiting. Okay, business model. It tells you what exactly does it do. I don't know if you guys know. There are 3 business model to Swiggy. I don't know how many of you know. First, food delivery. ठीक है, commission मिलता है restaurant से. Quick commerce, Instamart, everybody knows. This is the third one. Advertising and subscription that we pay in advertising. These are the money-making revenue models for Swiggy. अच्छा, financial performance, you can see the profit also. The revenue is increasing and the losses are started falling. Okay, now loss making, that's a big problem. Balance sheet, moderate level. Major concern, lot of money is being burnt right now. ठीक है. Objective of IPO, if you want to read, you can read it. I will come to the bottom and show you the important thing. Okay, one thing important is competition analysis. What does it mean? Swiggy versus Zomato. Zomato has, okay, it is showing you 2024 figure. It gives you, it is similar number of revenue, but Zomato has a profit and Swiggy has a loss. This is the biggest difference between the two. Achha, Zomato has turned profitable. Key benchmark. One thing before I move forward, everybody needs to know, when Zomato turned profitable, from then the stock started to rocket. Okay? Okay, risk analysis, persistent losses, high competition from Zomato, quick commerce burn, and and regulatory risk. Now comes everybody's waiting for. At 390, okay, suggest premium pricing, which means it has losses, but it is the prices are high for the stock. Now comes the summary table. It gives you all the summary. If you do not want to read all of this, you can just go and read the summary in front of you. Final verdict, it is a risky investment and only for long term, which basically means, again, यहाँ पे भी इसने पूरा detail दे दिया. It basically tells you, if Swiggy achieves profitability like Zomato, listen to me, significant upside potential exists. If losses persist, stock may underperform post listing. Overall, strong business है, strong market है, weak profit plus high valuation. It tells you it is a risky bet for a long term. If it profit होगा तो बहुत सारा पैसा यहाँ पे बन सकता है. Tell me in the chat if this is outstanding. Can I get an MB in the chat? Can I get an MB? Mind blowing का short form है MB. Can I get an MB in the chat? This is mind blowing and you can also do it in minutes. Can you get? We are just starting away. Anybody who's just joining, don't worry. We're just getting started. An MB in the chat from everybody. MB in the chat if you think this is outstanding. Customized GPTs customized AI tool, which is giving only the information we want as per us, has been created just to help us find out the right IPO, or is a particular IPO worth investing, yes or no, in minutes. People used to take weeks to do this analysis, especially equity analysts. Okay, now everybody is asking me this question. Everybody is asking me this question: how to create this GPT? Huh? How many of you have this question? Give me a raise of hand. How many of you have this question? Guys, if you have this question, only then I can give you a solution. So give me a raise of hand if you have this question. Okay, I will do better for you. I will do better for you. What if people are asking me, can we get this? Can we get this? Can we get this? How many of you want this? I can share this GPT with you, but how many of you want this? Because a lot of people are asking me different questions. Maybe they don't know. This GPT is shareable. I can share it with you. You can click on it and it will start giving you, working for you. How many of you want this? Write yes for me in the chat. How many of you want this? Write yes for me in the chat. Now let me see. Now this is the maximum response that I'm getting. Team, please take a note. Team, please take a note. How many of them are asking for it? Please take a note. This is the maximum, huh? This is the maximum yeses that I have got in the day. Okay, what I will do is, people who are serious learners, I'm just getting started, huh? People who are serious learners, who give me their 100% attendance till the end, will be given this GPT special customized for you. Good enough? Can I have a quick raise of hand? Good? Yes? Good? Raise of hand, everybody. Good? Sure. As promised, you will be getting this AI tool. All the serious learners, mark your attendance and get this AI tool. Let me go ahead. मैं आगे चलता हूँ. The second one. Let me start. Guys, I'm just starting up. Huh? I'm just getting warmed up. अभी तो start करा है. IPO starting होता है, and I'm going to move forward now. 2 ways of investing in stocks for a retail investor like you and me. Correct? 2 ways. Okay. What next? First, 2 ways of investing in stock. First is the passive way, which is through mutual fund. Remember, first is the passive way through mutual fund, and second is the direct. You go directly and buy stocks in the stock market like Infosys, Reliance, TCS, XYZ. Okay, I'll be covering both. But let me first start with the world of mutual fund, which is the passive way or the indirect way of investment. Now, hear this out. This might change what I'm going to say, how you think about it. Okay, hear me out. All of you who have joined us today, they will be are investing or will be investing in mutual fund, and you'll be putting thousands and lakhs of rupees in mutual funds. Spend 10 to 15 minutes today with me, and you will never be able to have to ask people on WhatsApp, on chats, on comments. I have seen that, right? People do that on DMs. कौन सा mutual fund लेना है, कौन सा नहीं लेना है. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to tell you what all you need to know about mutual fund and how to select mutual fund. And you don't have to ask anybody going forward. Okay? Alright? Let's enter the world of mutual fund for you. It is an indirect way of investing in the stock market. That means a doctor साहब जिन्होंने join करा है, a doctor who has joined us, or an IT professional who has joined us, or a lawyer, or whatever, whatever you do. Your core area is what you do. Maybe medicine, or maybe lawyer, or maybe creating software. That is not my core area. If I'm not feeling well, I go to a doctor. Correct? Same way, if you don't know how to invest money, one of the ways is you start with mutual fund. It's an indirect way. You give your money in front of you. Look at the screen. You give your money to the mutual fund manager who invests your money on your behalf. That is mutual fund. ठीक है? Clear है? Now, depending on where you want your money to be invested, depending on where you want your money to be invested, they will invest you. It's your wish. All the questions which have been sent to me, I cannot answer it right now, guys. Take a note. I'll keep answer at the end, because if I answer it, abhi flow बिगड़ जाए. ठीक है? Okay. Now, which mutual fund category to choose is the first question everybody should ask, rather than which mutual fund should I buy, which stock to buy. This is the top 1% people invest, and I'm going to tell you the exact strategy, how I advise people. I used to know how I used to tell people. So, first question is, which mutual fund category to choose, and the answer is in front of you. Take a note, get a pen and paper, and let's start. सबसे पहले क्या करना है ना, you need to divide your financial goals. सबसे पहले करना है, you need to divide your financial goal. First is short term goal. Anything you want to achieve in the next 1 to 3 years. When I say achieve, let's say you want to buy a car, you want to buy a phone, you want to go for a Europe trip, whatever you want to do. It's a short term goal to be achieved in the next 1 to 3 years. Just write that goal name and write short term in front of it. Second, anything you want to do in the next 3-5 years. Okay? You want to get married in the next 4-5 years. One thing. Okay, anything. You want to buy a car in the next 4-5 years. I want a 20 lakh, I want a Mercedes, 30 lakh rupees, 40 lakh, 50 lakh rupees car in the next 3-5 years. That's your mid-term goal. And for both of these goals, you don't invest in the stock market. Yes, you don't do that. Or at least not directly. Let me tell you. Okay? Because for these goals, we invest in the, at least for short-term goal, we invest in the stock market, we lose money, we never come back to the market, and that is the biggest problem. Okay? Now comes the third goal. Whatever now you have learned, equity, stocks, large cap, mid cap, small cap, all those mutual funds come under this category only, which is called as a long-term goal. Generally, there are 2 to 3 long-term goals everybody has. Listen to me, everybody has. One is buying a house. Second is retirement. And third is child's education. These are the top 3 goals long-term from everybody. Understood? Now let me tell you how should you invest for each of the goals. First, लिख लिया? Have you written? Can I have a quick raise of hand? Have you written it for yourself? Can I move forward now? Okay. For short-term goal, we don't go for stocks investment. We don't go for equity mutual fund. We go for debt funds. We go something called as debt fund. People who don't know what is this, I'll be covering in detail, but understand one thing. Debt fund basically means you're putting your money indirectly, to explain you in a simple manner, in company fixed deposits. Just as there is bank fixed deposit, there are also company fixed deposit. And to understand, I'm just explaining it to you. Debt fund means you are indirectly investing in company fixed deposit. Safer, less return, but safer, you will get returns. Second is a mid-term goal. Again, no 100% equity or stock exposure, you have to go through the hybrid mutual fund route. Now, what is this, Professor? We don't know. There's a hybrid car, there's a hybrid car which runs on petrol and EV both. In the initial, it works on EV, then it changes to petrol. Correct? That's a hybrid mutual fund. Similarly, hybrid car. Similarly, a hybrid mutual fund is a mix of equity, stocks, plus debt or company FD. So you will get the benefit of growth of equity and the stability of debt or company MD. That should be your goal for the next if your 3 to 4 years ka goal hai, then it needs to be hybrid mutual fund. Are we clear till now, guys? Are we clear till now? Then comes the long term goal, and for this, go all out into equity mutual fund. Have you understood this step 1? Can I move to the step 2, please? Can I have a quick raise of hand? A quick raise of hand from everybody. A quick raise of hand. Have you understood this? I have to show you how to select mutual fund, but I want to understand. ये समझ आया ना? A quick raise of hand from everybody. 100% raise of hand, please. All right. Outstanding. Outstanding. Let me move forward now. As I told you, all of you are going to be putting in lot of money in mutual funds. In the next 6 minutes, by the clock, in the next 6 minutes, I am going to be telling you what all mutual fund you should have and what all you should not have. Correct? But before I tell you that, can you tell me honestly in the chat, how many mutual fund have you invested in? In your portfolio, how many mutual fund? Number, give me a number. How many numbers of mutual fund you have? Is it 1, 2, 5, 10, 100? Give me a number. 20, 2, 7, 1. Okay, people, 0, okay. 10, 18, 15, 1, 5, 7, okay. 12, 10, 152, wow. 12, 10, 7, 5, 3. Okay, I may not be able to read all of it, but I'm just reading, okay. 12, 20, 10, 2, 4, 3, 10, none. Okay, one defense, one small cap. Very bad, Raghuramji, that's not right. 2, 10, 10, 7, 10, 4, 20, 5, 10 SIP, okay. 15, 18, maybe 10, 14, Z to invest, 20 plus, 12, 8, okay. Anybody, listen to me. Anybody who has more than 5 or 6 has too many. Wow. Anybody Who has more than 5 or 6 has too many. Understood? Understood? Now let me tell you what is going on, guys. I told you, right? You'll be putting a lot of money in mutual fund. So let's put in 6 minutes to understand what all category you should be there and what all you should not. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं. But before that, I have to tell you a dirty mutual fund secret. Now people will not tell you that because that hurts their business. But I have to tell you, I have a responsibility towards you. Guys, these mutual fund companies are tricking us. Why? What is happening? All these mutual fund companies has a rule to follow. As per SEBI and MFI, they have a rule to follow that none of the mutual fund companies can have more than one mutual fund in every category. Okay. New, huh? Let me tell you what does this mean. So let's say you have SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Quant, Mirai, whatever mutual fund you might have. Whatever you might have, they can have only one. So for example, you have HDFC Life, large cap fund. Example. Okay. They cannot have a second large cap fund. So what they will do, they want more money from you. They will tell, Dr. Sahab, IT professional sir, ma'am, whatever you do, they will tell you, Acha, we have a new category and that can give you good return. So now you have large cap, good, give us some money in the other category also. And aise karte, they give us like 10, 12, 15 mutual funds. That is the biggest problem in the industry. You just need to know about these 6. You just need to know about these 6 and nothing more. You just need to know about these 6 and nothing more. और नहीं जानना है, सिर्फ इन 6 के बारे में ही आपको जानना है. First one, guys, give me an MB if this is mind-blowing information. Give me an MB in the chat if you never know this is mind-blowing information. Let's be honest here. Let's be honest. I'm trying to help you out. I want to know if this is helping you or not. And MB, this is really mind-blowing. So because of this rule, all of us are given so many mutual funds and we don't want any. It's like putting the money same place multiple times. Hence, we are not able to generate good amount of return. You will see your mutual funds giving negative returns or single-digit returns. Correct? Okay. Yes. Okay. Perfect. All right. Thank you for all the MBs. Moving forward, these 6 mutual fund categories, what you need to take care of. First, a large cap fund. Second, a multi-cap fund. Third, a mid and small cap fund. Fourth, a hybrid fund. Fifth, a flexi cap fund. And sixth, a latest entrant, a multi-asset fund. I told you 6 minutes. I have a magic slide coming up. In those 6 minutes, you'll be able to understand all of these in the next 6 minutes. यार इतना सारा पैसा डालोगे, you'll be putting in so much money. Learn it, and so that you don't have to ask anybody going forward. The magic slide in front of you. First, a large cap fund. If you put in your money in a large cap fund, let's say you put in 10 lakh rupees in a large cap fund or 1 lakh, whatever it is the amount, your money will get distributed in India's top 100 companies like TCS, Airtel, Reliance. So large cap fund, top companies, safer, but give you less return in respect to the other equity funds. Second is the mid cap fund. If you put in your money in a mid cap fund, sir, ma'am, it means your money is being invested in the next 150 companies like Paytm, Dr. Lal PathLab. क्या मतलब है? That means the next large cap, these companies can become the next big companies of India. So you are investing in the next potential of India. So here you can earn high return, but these can also be volatile or can be a little risky. So mid caps give you more return than large cap, and because they invest in the next 150 companies of India. And then comes the third category, which is the small cap fund. If you put your money in a small cap fund, that basically means you're investing in 250th onward companies by size. I'm talking about like Ola Electric, Blue Dart. So if you put your 2 lakh rupees, if you put in small cap fund, they will buy small companies for you. Now this can also give you high return, but these are again a little risky. Have you understood this? If yes, you've understood 40%. Raise a fan, magic slide. Simple, right? I will make it as simple as possible. Take you from 0 to 100 as I promised. But I just want the same level of enthusiasm. A raise a hand or a yes in the chat is good for me. Then I move forward. Outstanding. Sure. So what have you understood till now? If you put your money in large cap fund, you buy top 100 companies of India. If you put your money in a mid and small cap fund, the mid cap means 150 companies, middle one, and small cap means 250 company onwards in India. Third, now comes one of the most popular categories these days, a flexi cap fund. Flexi cap fund, as the name suggests, is flexible, sir, ma'am, flexible. What does it mean? They can put their money wherever they want the market is going. So if they like large cap, they will buy large. If they like mid cap or they like small cap, they'll put their flexible, flexi cap. 50% done. Now comes another category, which is multi-cap funds. What is this? You'll be shocked to know that multi-cap funds are same as flexi cap. Professor, what are you saying? Why have they made a new category then? They have made a new category because there is one small difference. What is that small difference? That can be big. That can be a big difference, but there is one small difference. क्या है? Multi-cap fund also put your money in a large cap, mid cap, and small cap, but they have a restriction that 25% of, let's say you put in 1 lakh rupees in a multi-cap fund, 25,000 goes in a large cap, 25,000 in a mid cap, and 25,000 in a small cap, and rest 25% anywhere they want. Understood? That is 60% of your work done. Then comes the hybrid fund category. Can you tell me, before I move forward and tell you, hybrid fund is for which goal? Short term, medium term, long term? Hybrid fund is for which goal? Short term, medium term, long term. Let me see if you're paying attention or not. Yeah? Let me see if you're paying attention or not. Is it for short term, medium term, long term? Okay, a lot of responses coming in. Let me quickly check what have they written. Right? 90% right answers. 90% right answers. Which is midterm. Absolutely right. Midterm, 3 to 5 year goal. Absolutely right. So, if you are putting your money in a hybrid fund, sir, ma'am, there are two benefits. One, you get taxed lower. You are putting your money in a mix of debt and equity. Matlab, you are putting in stocks also, you are putting in bonds also. So, you get safety of bonds and equity ka growth bhi. Good for medium term, and the best part, these are tax efficient, which means you pay lower tax, or you pay tax as per equity, and equity का tax हमेशा lower होता है. I've given you one very important insight. And last category, I'm going to show you. This was the top performing category of 2025. Top performing category of 2025. In front of you, the multi-asset fund. Now, multi-asset fund, invest your money in 3 places, at least 3 places. Debt, which is company FD, equity, which is stock, plus gold, plus real estate. At least 3 places they will put your money. Now, can you tell me, and you are smart enough, I know, can you tell me in the chat, think about it, why multi-asset fund did well in 2025? Look at what I am showing you. Why multi-asset fund did well in 2025? Because of what? What was rising in 2025? क्योंकि इनके पास ये चीज थी, because they had this, hence multi-asset fund gave you good return in 2025. What is it? Absolutely right. Because of the presence of gold in their portfolio, these multi-asset fund outperformed all of this in 2025. This is also sometimes called as one mutual fund portfolio because it invests your money everywhere. Of course, you don't just need to have this, because when the equity market does well, when the stock market will do well, let's say 2026, 2027 May, then the other categories will outperform the multi-asset fund. Have you understood the 6 categories one and for all? Give me a raise of hand if you have, and you will have to never ask anybody again about which mutual fund category to choose and what does that mean. Give me a raise of hand, and then I tell you how to select the mutual fund. Give me a raise of hand. Lot of MBs coming in. MB ka matlab mind blowing. Yes, lot of MBs coming in. But can I move forward, please? I have to cover a lot of things. I am just starting up. So large cap fund, top 100, mid small cap fund, 150, and the next 250 onward. Flexi cap fund, flexibility. It can put your money anywhere. Multi cap fund, again same flexibility with a 25% cap. Hybrid fund in a mix of debt and equity, and multi-asset fund, a mix of at least 3 assets: debt, equity, gold, and real estate. They will put your money at least 3 places. Good now? Good, everybody who wanted a repeat, who wanted a return? Supercharge is what I've got. On that note, let me take you forward. Let me take you forward. Supercharge के नोट पे हम चलते हैं to the next portion, which is how to select mutual fund. Now, a lot of you want to know that. People are really excited to know what and how to select mutual fund. But chalo, let me break some myths again. Let me give you some raw information, some important information that you will not get generally through social media or here and there. Selecting large cap fund, sir and ma'am, whoever has joined us today, please listen to me carefully. Whoever has joined us today, all of you need to have at least 35 to 55%. Listen to me carefully. All of you who have joined me today, at least you need to have between 35 to 55% of your portfolio in large cap funds. What, professor? Yes, what are you saying? Yes, anybody and whoever has joined me today, 35 to 55% of your portfolio needs to be in a large cap fund. क्या मतलब? Depending on your age, your risk profile, couple of these things, how much large cap you should have depends on that, but you need to have at least 35 to 55% there. So let me tell you how to select large cap funds. But before that, in front of you there are 2 types of large cap funds. अब हम बात करेंगे how to select these, okay? But you need to know this. Now there are 2 types of large cap fund, and let me explain to you very carefully. Listen. First one is a copycat. Yeah, copycat. In an examination when we go, a lot of people are copying answers. Similarly, one category is index fund large cap. Okay, they just copycat. They just copy it. So if you put your money in a large cap index fund, क्या करेंगे वो? They will just go and buy the same stocks offered by an index. Let's say a Nifty or a Sensex. They will just go buy the same 30-50 stock. Nothing major, they will not do major. Okay, they will just buy that stock, copycat. Second, okay, now because they are copying and they are not doing a lot of things, okay, so they will charge you a lower commission, or it is also called as lower expense ratio. Noted? These copycats will charge you lower expense ratio or lower commission because they are just copying it for you. They're not doing majorly. They're just copycats. Second comes the smart ones. They are the hard workers. See these sweet boot guys with a laptop. These are called as actively managed funds. Means depending on the market. Acha, Reliance अच्छा कर रहा है. IT is not doing well. India doesn't have AI story. IT is not doing well. Let me sell IT. Let me buy Reliance. They are diversifying. For example, they will start buying that. They will actively manage your money. They will keep buying and selling on a regular basis. That is your hard worker. Since they are doing a lot of mehnat for you, lot of hard work for you, they will charge you a higher commission or a higher expense ratio. Have you understood till now? Because now I'm going to open your eyes. Have you understood this till now? Yes or no? Understood? Understood, Rahulji? Understood, everybody? Venkatesh, Dr. Manish? Okay, perfect. Go. Now look at the bottom of the screen. This will blow your mind. Most of the people will tell you buy active managed fund. These are smart people, hard worker. Look at the bottom of the screen. This is the irony. And this is what people don't do. Wow. 4 out of 5 active funds have underperformed the index fund in the last 5-year period. They charge you higher amount of commission or expense ratio and still underperform the index fund. Can I get an MB in the chat? This is mind-blowing. Can I get an MB in the chat? This is mind-blowing. Just by this piece of information, you're going to save lakhs of rupees. Just by this piece of information. Yes, sir. People don't understand this. Just by this piece of information. So when you are buying a large cap fund, sir, ma'am, everybody keep the MBs coming in. I'm noting it down. When you are buying a large cap fund, you need to buy an index fund and not an actively managed fund. Clear? Yahan tak clear hai? Clear everybody with me? Okay, because they charge you a lower commission and also give you a higher return than your actively managed fund. Now the question is how to select these large cap funds. Okay, that's the question. How many of you want to see? How many of you? I don't have a slide for it. So I did not make a slide. I will ask you first. If I get the appropriate response, then I'll go forward. Do you want me to show you how to select live these large cap index fund? Give me a yes. Let me see how many yeses do I get. Only then I move forward, else I move forward without this. I want everybody to give me a yes, whoever wants me to show them how to buy live how to select these large cap index fund. Okay. All right. Keep it coming. I want to see. Is my chat flooded? Yes, no. It's already flooded. I only show you as I move forward. I'm getting like huge responses, but not everybody now. Okay. Almost there. Outstanding. Let me show it to you, sir. Let me show it to you. Okay. So which tool I'm going to use? I'm going to be going to this website called as Ticker Tape. Okay. I'm going to be this website called as Ticker Tape. Again, it's free. You can also go, you can make an account if you want. It's free for everybody. Okay. Step 1. I'll go slow, so just keep noting or doing it. Ticker Tape, step 1. What is the step 1? Step 1 is I go to more and I go to MF screener, which is mutual fund screener. Click on it. Step 1, I go to more and I go to mutual fund screener. I click on it. ये सामने खुल गया. Then you need to click on start screening. I'll go back. You need to click on start screening. Okay, I've already made that screener for you, but I will show you how to make it. Okay, so this is the screen that opens up. Okay. Refresh. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah, it happens sometime. We'll go back and we'll do it again. Go here. Mutual fund screener. Let's start screening. ठीक है, क्या करना है? Step 1. You go to step 1. You go to equity. We're looking for equity funds, and in under equity, which one? We have to select. I'll go and select the large cap and the index fund. ये तो करना हमें. Large cap and the index fund. I have selected the two. Correct? Are you with me now? Start screening, and I start checking what I do. First step, what? Start screening. This is the first step. You go to more mutual fund screener. You go to equity, and you select under equity. You go to index fund and large cap. Step 1 done. Step 2. Plan. Select the growth plan. You don't want IDCF2 because that is your dividend plan. We want a growth plan. We want your money to grow, not give us dividends. So select the growth plan. Done. Third is your AUM. No, don't have to touch that. Okay. Third is your expense ratio. Do you want your expense ratio to be low, high, or mid? What do you want? Low, medium, or high? What do you want your expense ratio to be? Low, medium, or high? आप बताओगे. You will never forget if you tell me. Absolutely right. Let's keep it low. ठीक है, low हो गया. अच्छा, अब क्या करना है? I'll go to add filter. Let me find out one thing which can really help you out. Is your tracking error. I'll go here and I'll put the tracking error. ठीक है, tracking error. That's the fourth one. Tracking error क्या होता है? पहले everybody needs to understand before I select it. Tracking error is the cheating error. What is the cheating error? Because they are copycats. This is just to explain, guys. Okay? Because they are copycats, they were copying, but they are not properly copying, and they are making a mistake while copying also. So hold on. So we'll go to tracking error. And we will keep it 0 to 0.1. कि हम ज़्यादा क्यों दें उनको ना? I don't want to them to make mistake. So tracking error will be 0 to 0.1 and close. Okay, no, 0 to 0.2 करते हैं. Okay, just a second. Keep it low. No, 0 to 0.2. Should work. But there's some. Okay. No, should 0.5 करते हैं. है ही नहीं कोई. हम तो low कर रहे हैं. बड़ा कोई आ ही नहीं रहा है. Okay, let me just see what it is doing. Okay, 0.1. Okay, it's not working, this one. Okay, then just remove this and please enter a value between 0 and okay, it's saying something 0 and 28. Okay, let's do that. 0 to 10 and let's put enter. Okay, high करते हैं 20. No, it's not working. There's some issue with the website. You need to keep there's some issue with the website. Let me see what's going on. Okay, let's go back again. Return, expense ratio, and let's go to tracking error. You can remove the tracking error. Let's just remove this tracking error. Go to filter and remove the tracking error. Hold on. and then done. Okay, here is your top. Just a second. Yeah, here is your top. Mine is working. It is working for me. Okay, please stop. If it's working for you, maybe there's some issue with my website, and these are websites only. If it's working for you, let me quickly do it again. Add filter. Go to tracking error. Done. Okay, and now the tracking error should be 0.0.1. ठीक है, ये आपका चलेगा, मेरा नहीं चल रहा, I don't know why, but it should be working for you. People have told me it's working for everybody. Just tell me, is it working for everybody when you select 0.1? 0.1, and it should give you change the filter or reduce the limit filter. Is it working for you? Yes, perfect. Okay, there's some issue with my website. Should I try once more? Let me try once more. Okay, let me try once more. We will go to here, we'll go to account, more, we'll go to mutual fund screener. Okay, everybody, whoever wants me to repeat it, I'm repeating again for everybody. Focus. Repeating again for everybody. Start screening. Okay, use here, go to here. Now you go to equity. Under equity, you go to index and large cap. Close it. Then you go to plan. Under plan, you select growth. Very, very good. Then you go to expense ratio. We want the expense ratio to be low. Again, very good. Then you add the last filter, which is your tracking error filter. And then you do and done. Okay. Now this is tracking error. It's still not working for me. I don't know why. Okay. And if you do that, it's not working for me today. I don't know. It's some issue with the website. When you will do this, you will get a list of all the mutual funds. Okay, how will you get it? Let me show it to you. And you're done. You will get such a list, guys. You get such a list. In front of you, you'll get such a list in front of you. Now you just need to go and find the mutual fund which has the lowest expense ratio and lowest tracking error. इसमें से वो find कर लो, and that is your mutual fund to select. Have you understood, guys? Have you understood? Can you give me a quick raise of hand? Have you understood? Are you able to do it? Okay. Yes. Are you able to do it, guys? MBs coming in? Yeah. It's some issue with the website that I'm trying to assess, but yeah, I'm sure you are able to do it, right? Okay. Perfect. एक बार और try कर ले. People are saying me. Okay. एक बार और try करते. Yeah. Okay. And okay. So it's not. See, tracking error यहाँ पे blank आ रहा है. I don't know why. Yeah. But if it's working for you, maybe they have. It's not working for me. It's working for you, which is good. 28.0. Okay. Yeah. Hi करते हैं ना? Okay, it's not working. Yeah, it's not working today. That's okay. But the point is now you go and select. Yeah, 0.1 करना है. Tracking error needs to be 0 to 0.1. Now you will find a list of mutual funds, list of large cap index fund from which you can choose the one. And I'll give you one tip. Choose the one which has the lowest expense ratio and the lowest tracking error. One thing, but one important point, guys. I always go for a good brand, even if I'm getting 0.01% less. Okay, because I want my money to be safe. So go for a good brand. Okay, understood? All right. Let me move forward. Now I have a very, very important question for everybody to answer. Everybody should answer this. Markets are volatile. Okay, markets are volatile. Are we good till now, guys? Yes? Absolutely right. Okay, a lot of answers. All good, guys? Understood? Can I move forward, please? Give me an MB in the chat if the mutual fund selection was easy. Give me an MB in the chat if the mutual fund selection was easy. Can I have MBs? MBs in the chat if the mutual fund selection was easy. Now, before I move forward, I have to tell you, now you'll be able to select 35 to 55% of your portfolio in a Ziffy. Can I get an MB for you in the chat? Can I get an MB in the chat if that was easy for you? MB in the chat, can I get that? Yeah, then only I move forward. अब stocks की बात करेंगे. Correct. Yes. MB in the chat from everybody. MB in the chat. Outstanding. Let me solve a big problem for you right now. What is that problem? I'm sure everybody or most of you, 90% plus, would have either of the two questions that I'm going to show you. Markets are volatile. Should I start investing in mutual funds now or wait for the market to fall? How many of you have this question? Give me a raise of hand. How many of you have this question? Raise your hand. I am not going to answer. The data will answer for you. The second question, should I stop my existing SIPs and restart on a later date? Do you have either of the questions or both the question? I want a raise of hand, genuine raise of hand from everybody. Wow, so many raise of hand, so many chat reply. In front of you is the answer, Ramesh versus Kabir, and this is based on real data. क्या हुआ? Ramesh or Kabir? Guys, this is real data. In front of you, look at the screen, Ramesh, who's a very, very smart investor. I called him Chatur. Ramesh started investing in 2009. 2008, the market was at the top. 2009, the market fell and Ramesh was Chatur. I don't know how he found out the lowest point of the market. He started his mutual fund investments in 2009 when the market was at the lowest point, and let us see how Ramesh is doing now. Ramesh ने क्या करा? 10,000 का SIP. He started with 10,000 SIP at the market bottom of 2009. His current value is 69.3 lakhs. His current value is 69.3 lakhs. Wow, that's a good amount. Yes, correct. Okay. Now comes Kabir. Kabir was not Chatur. Kabir was a disciplined investor who did not wait for the market fall. He could not find it. So what he did? He started investing at the top of 2008. 2008 के top में he started investing. He's a disciplined investor. He did not wait for the market fall and started investing in 2008 only. इससे क्या हुआ? Let us look at what Kabir is doing. Kabir, disciplined investor, started investing in 2008. Same 10,000 SIP started in market peak of 2008. Let us see how Kabir is doing. His current value is 81 lakh rupees. Wow, look at the screen, guys. What happened? How did he has 69 lakh and he has 80 lakh? Look at the screen. Kabir did not wait for the market to fall and earned an extra 11.6 lakh by investing 14 extra SIPs. 14 extra SIP मतलब 1.4 lakh, 10,000 each था. He got 11.6 lakh extra on 1.4 lakh. Give me a yes in the chat if you have understood the logic, and you will never ask this question again from everybody. I am making you independent today. I am making you self-dependent. So give me a yes. I will not give you random answers, yes or no. I will show you how and what has happened in the past and what is going to happen in the future, because future यहाँ पे market में is based on what happens. It's based on history. Yes, you've understood, everybody? So many yeses coming in. The entire logic is, do not time the market. Don't act or don't try to be a chatur in the market when you're doing your SIP mutual fund. Don't stop it. अभी तो सस्ता माल मिल रहा है. अभी तो you're getting things at a cheaper price. If you think from this perspective, most of India is thinking, because I will give you the latest numbers. Suddenly the SIPs and investment in mutual fund has risen from 30,000 crore to 47,000 crore per month. That is what is happening. Entire India is becoming smarter. Are you doing it? I hope you've understood. Thank you for all the yeses and thumbs up. I move forward now because I have a lot of information to cover. Okay, now I come to this part where I talk about finding multi-bagger stocks. कितने लोग जानना चाहते हैं how I found my multi-bagger stocks and how you want to? Should I tell you the process of how to do it? No secrets. I will tell you the process. Okay, secrets are short term. These are just to tempt you. I'm going to be telling you process wise how it is done and how it can be done sustainably. Raise a hand how many of you want to know about how to find multi-bagger stocks. Outstanding. Thank you. Let me show you now. Let me show you. There are three kinds of stocks based on size. Listen to me carefully, and I'm going to be talking about small cap. You know large cap, you know mid cap, you know small cap now. We'll be talking about small cap stocks. Why? There's a reason. Now I'll be using this website called as Screener, guys. In front of you, Screener. It's again a free tool. It's a free website, and it's one of the best websites for you to do, for you to find about companies. Fundamental analysis. Okay. Now let me show you one thing. Which is India's biggest company? Test time. Which is India's biggest company? Wow. What is India's biggest company? A lot of you are giving me right answers. Okay, maximum are right answers. Yes, it is right. It is Reliance. देखो पहला ही आ गया. If you go to Reliance, guys, look at the market cap of Reliance. This keeps changing, huh? 18,000, 18,000 odd, 18 lakh crore. Do you think, honestly tell me, do you think Reliance can double or triple, can become a 50 lakh crore in the next 3 years? Such a big elephant, can it move this fast? Honestly tell me, can Reliance become 50 lakh crore in the next 3 years? Can it become 3 times? Can a big elephant move so fast? Maximum, you have given me the right answer, no, and I believe you, because such big companies can grow at 8 to 10%. But a company like, let's say, okay, a Godrej Agrovet, simple, forget the name. It's a 11,300 crore company. It is a Godrej company. Forget the name of the company. Such a company, can you think if the company does well, it can become a 30,000 crore company in the next 3-4 years? Possible? Possible? Yes, no. Higher chances? Yes, no. Get in the logic. Yes? Yes? Right. Possible. Doable. Yes. Yes, if it's a good company. The logic I'm trying to tell you is, small cap has the potential in front of you. They have the multi-bagger return potential of 10, 20, even 50 times because they are small and can grow faster. These big companies, your TCS, Reliance, I'm not saying these are bad companies, but these will grow at 8, 10, 12, 15% maximum. Maximum. Okay, some years will go down some. These small cap stocks can give you 30, 40, 50 or even 100% growth in terms of their profits. So, what is the logic? Before I tell you how to do it, I will give you all the numbers, how to do it, how to select, which AI tool, where to click. I will show you all. But understand this before I move forward, some basic. Whenever from next time onwards, whoever has joined us today, never talk about stocks. Yeah? Never talk about stocks. Always talk about businesses. You are not buying a stock if you think from that angle, कभी भी पैसा नहीं बनेगा. You have to start thinking that you are becoming a owner in the business and you are not buying a stock. Guys, indirectly when you buy a stock, now it's basically you are becoming a part owner. Okay? Understood? Okay. Second, Raghuram ji, आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा, अभी आंसर दूंगा आपका. Okay? A multi-bagger return of 20 to 50 times is easily possible. And I'll show you how. Third, I'll be selecting. How I'm going to do it? First step will be, I'll be selecting all those companies which are small. So companies which are less than 10,000 crores. But I also want to remove very small companies, those micro caps, because उसमें fraud हो सकता है. So I at least keep companies which are over 500 and less than 10,000 crore size. अभी तक सब कुछ clear है? Give me a raise of hand, then I show you how to do it. It is so simple, I'm going to show you. Clear, right? Can I move forward, please? Okay. One very, very caveat important thing everybody should know. And this is most important. I should have started with this. Guys, 3 out of 9 or 30 to 40% of your companies will do really, really well. And that's enough. What is the logic? Not all your companies can become multi-baggered if it's not humanly possible. Not even the top investors of the world have done it, and neither will you be able to do it. So 30 to 40% of your companies will become multi-baggers or can become multi-baggers. If that happens, that will be more than enough, because एक company में अगर 20 से 30 गुना बना देता है पैसा, तो it becomes a big amount of money. How do I know? Because next I'm going to be showing you my multi-bagger stock. How do I do it? How did I do it? Which company I'm talking about? I'm going to show you a live screen of it. ठीक है? Okay. Now, why before that? Why choose small cap stocks? Why choose small cap stocks? Guys, look at the difference. This is the index I'm talking about. Small cap index, 100 companies, and small cap index, large cap index, 100 companies. 150% दिया या 353% दिया. Okay, this is still last year. See what is happening. This is the difference between large cap and small cap if chosen rightly. What? Now let us see the individual small cap potential. Individual small cap का potential देखते हैं. यहाँ देखो. I had to remove the name again. Same logic. If I keep the name, people start buying this stock. यहाँ buy नहीं करना है. The story is played out. Small cap stocks in 225 days. This stock live chart gave you 1000% return or 10 times your money in 7.5 months. Second example, in 1.7 years, 2100% return or 21 times your money. 21 times 10 lakh becomes 2.1 crore if you buy the right stock. Not all your stock will become so high, but even if 30-40% do, you can create a lot of wealth. And let me tell you how. Guys, my multi-bagger stock, 2400% return in 4 years. Yeah. Would you want me to show that, guys? Would you want me to show that? My multi-bagger stock, 2400% return in 4 years. Yes, sir. Yes, please. Sure. One thing before I show it to you, do not buy this stock today. I will not buy it myself. Do not buy this stock today, please. Okay. In front of you, this is my multi-bagger stock which gave 24 times return in 4 years. The name is, you can see, somebody asked this question in a while back. मैंने बोला ना, अभी बताऊंगा. In front of you, the recent stock price was somewhere 3300. Can you see what is my buying? Can you write my buying price? Can you see it, and can you write that for me in the chat? Are you able to find it out? Are you able to spot it? What is my buying price? दिख रहा है आपको? Okay. Yes, it is here in front of you. You guys are absolutely right. I have bought it at an average price of, I bought it multiple times. Multiple times over the last 4-5 years, I bought this stock. 139 rupees is my buying price. The stock price currently is 3300 rupees. Yeah, it keeps on. 1 week I will take it will be 2900. I don't care because I've already booked some profit early, very early. So that now whatever is remaining is my pure profit. So if it becomes 3000, 3300, because I know the potential and I don't care if it falls by 5% because मेरा cost price इतना low है. Correct? So I wanted to show, generally I don't show the name, guys. Why? There's a reason. Because the entire logic is I want to tell you that it's possible, and hence I showed you. ये possible है. कैसे होगा? Now let's talk about it. How to select multi-bagger small cap stocks. Are you excited to know how to do it? Can I have a quick raise of hand? Yeah, can I have a quick raise of hand? Are you excited to know about how to select multi-bagger small cap stock? Yes? Okay. Outstanding. Okay. Outstanding. Yes, sir. Let's go in. Yes, ma'am. Perfect. We will be following a fundamental approach to start with, and we will do a fundamental analysis using AI. क्या मतलब है? I'll be using AI tool to do fundamental analysis for you. Is the stock good fundamentally? And what is that? We will ask AI to do this, which is called as an EIC analysis. It will do it in minutes or maybe seconds. First is the economic analysis. Automatically it will do. It will find out, is the economy good? India is investing worthy or not? Then it will find out the industry. Which industry or sector should we choose? And then later on we will do the company analysis. We will find companies from it. Are we good? Can I start doing the AI analysis? Yes, give me a raise of hand, please. A raise of hand, please. Can I quickly go there? Alright, thank you. Okay, step one. Earlier, guys, what I used to do, let me show you. Everybody needs to know. When we were, the AI was still at a nascent age. It had not grown so fast. I used to have this prompt. Big prompt, huh? I don't know, 3-4 pages prompt. This total prompt I had, and I used to use this for my analysis. But what I have done, I have created a fundamental sectoral analysis assistant for myself. I have given it all the information that I think is important. I have given this information to this custom GPT. Okay, now this custom GPT, in a press of a button, will find out is India investment worthy, what are the logics and the sectors also. See, it will do it here. It can also help me to analyze sectors for me, which sectors are good. The only thing before I do it, is the stocks that it will tell you. Don't go for it. Why? Because these are big stocks, the top stocks of the sector. वो हमें नहीं करना है, large cap नहीं करना है. तो चलते हैं. Step 1, analyze the Indian economy and find sectors for me. I've already given it all the information it needs, all the website, everything that it needs to do, and by a click of a button, it will start analyzing the Indian economy and find top sectors for me. Let us do it in a couple. Oh, it's already started, huh? Okay. It is doing. Please understand. Results आ रहे हैं. ध्यान से देखो. We are doing a top-down economy, industry, and company analysis of the Indian economy. Okay, from a medium to long-term perspective, it's not for like 6 months or 1 year perspective. Understood? Understood? Okay, perfect. Let's see the result. Economic health analysis of India first. In 25-26, the GDP growth क्या हुआ? India GDP growth is very, very good in terms of big global economies. Okay, growth driven, infrastructure, manufacturing, service, export, growth is stable. अच्छी बात है. Interest rates are falling. Controlled inflation is good, healthy for long-term capital formation, good. Inflation again is within the tolerable band of RBI. Ignore the war for some time and you will see it. Employment, gradual improvement but uneven. Okay, fair enough. Fiscal geopolitical stability, good. India is a preferred global investment destination, very, very good. Tax collection, हम सब बहुत tax देते हैं. All of us pay a lot of taxes. GST collection, strong upward trend. Direct taxes, consistent double-digit growth. Again, good trend. People are paying more taxes. So government is getting a lot of taxes and government can use it. It also takes in the trade agreements जो अभी हुए थे, correct? So FTAs, free trade agreement with all these companies. Conclusion: India gaining export competitiveness. Final economic verdict: strong GDP, controlled inflation, stable policy. Everything is good. India is currently a favorable investment economy. Very, very good. ठीक है? Rupee falling is honestly every time rupee falling is not bad. Okay, it is good for our export industry. Okay, जितना रुपी गिरेगा उतना हमारे एक्सपोर्ट को बेटर होगा. So lot of time the government wants it to fall. Or yeah, okay. Next, top industries for investment. ध्यान से सुनना. Okay, ध्यान से सुनना. I have selected 4 sectors based out of structural growth, policy support, global tailwind and profitability potential. किसका profit होगा? Where is the government supporting? Okay. First, capital goods and infrastructure. It has given you the photos also to understand what does it mean by infrastructure and capital goods. Why this sector? You can read it out and you can see why. Make in India campaign, PLI scheme, urbanization from we are moving to urbanization. More cities are being made. Rating, it is also giving you a rating, guys. Second is power and renewable energy. Reasons in front of you. India targeting this. Third, banking and financial. And fourth, pharmaceutical and healthcare. So if I have to go to a summary table now, in front of you the summary table, first sector is capital good and infra. Why? It is in front of you. Key factors, strong buying theme. Second, power and renewable energy transition, stable growth. BFSI means banking and financial services, credit growth. A lot of people are taking loans, a lot of companies are taking loans, financial, digital, core sector, and pharma, export plus healthcare demand, defensive growth. If I have to go and see the final investment layout, this is it, guys. India is in a Goldilocks phase. Best strategy, focus on structural sector, avoid overhype and loss-making theme. Prefer these things. You have the 4 sectors in front of you. Give me a mind-blowing or MB in the chat if you think this is doable. If this is so simple and amazing, can I get an MB in the chat from everybody? Can I get an MB in the chat from everybody? MB in the chat from everybody. Yeah, MB in the chat if this is doable. Then I move forward and find companies for you. We will go and find out companies in this sectors. Can I get an MB in the chat before that? Outstanding. When I saw it for the first time, I thought, wow, it took me like weeks to do this and it is doing it in minutes. It took me a lot of time to make this GPT, of course. Yeah, a lot of MBs coming in. Can I get all the MBs? Okay, before I move forward, I have to show you something. Guys, let me show you. कहाँ पे दिखाएं? कहाँ दिखेगा? Okay, just a second. I have created all these GPTs. Let me go here and okay. See, in front of you, I have created all these GPTs. ये देखो यहाँ पर अभी आएगा. Load here. Okay, all of these GPTs have been created ये, just a second, let it show. All of these GPTs, which does a particular purpose. For example, it can help you find your taxes. It can help you do your IPO. It can help you do your mutual fund. It can check your mutual fund portfolio and tell you that उसमें क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. It should be here. Mutual fund analyzer. All of this has been made so that people can make use of it. I'll tell you how you can get it. But before I move forward, can you tell me how many of you want this fundamental sector analysis tool? Give me an AI in the chat if you want. Give me an AI in the chat if you want the latest one that I use, the fundamental sector analysis prompt. How many of you want? Can I get an AI in the chat? How many of you want? Only if I get 95% people plus asking for it, I'll give it out. Can I get AI in the chat? Yeah, I'm waiting. I'll wait for 5 seconds and I move forward. AI in the chat. Right. AI, all those people who want this fundamental sector analysis prompt that I just used a while. Plus 93, 94% plus. Okay, we've crossed more than 95 now. So I'm going to be giving out this prompt to all of you serious learners who are there till the end and who mark their 100% attendance. Okay, fair enough? Quick raise of hand before I move forward. Before I move forward, a quick raise of hand from everybody. ठीक है. Okay, let's move forward and find out companies for you. Okay, now we will go and find out companies for you, and this might be easier than finding sectors. How? Let me show it to you. We'll go back to Screener. Everybody's favorite tool for fundamental analysis. And now things will happen a little fast, so focus. I'm going to click on screens. Please focus on the screen. I'm going to click on screens. ये देखो यहाँ पे screens पे click करो. Now I have this premium screen that I have made for a lot of for all the things that I want to do. I'm going to click on a button called as small cap stocks. Okay, one. By click of a button, it is given me my universe. I will repeat. I'll go back. Screens, and I went to small cap stocks. It has given me a universe of 1343 as of today, which basically is my universe or the stocks that I choose from. It has all good bad stocks. Understood? How many of you want this screener? Before that, let me first make you understand. अभी क्या हुआ है? अभी आपको you've already got, let me show you, you've got 1343 stocks to choose from. This is your universe. Okay, इसमें से now we have to find out the stocks which are good for you. Understood? Give me a raise of hand if you understood, because knowing is very important. Huh? Understood? Give me a raise of hand. Understood? Give me a raise of hand. Everybody. Very, very important for me. I don't want to give you superficial information. I want you to understand. Very, very good. I'm so happy with all the raise of hand. Others? Outstanding. Okay. How many of you want this screener? A quick AI in the chat for me. A quick AI in the chat for me. How many of you want this screener? A quick AI in the chat for me. Team, please take a note. How many of you want this screener? A quick AI for me. Okay. Perfect. What I'm going to give you, I'm going to give out to you right now. I've got it. I will not wait so that you can make use of it. ये मैंने आपको अभी दे दिया. I have sent it to everybody on chat. Send it out. You can click on it and you will be able to find out these stocks yourself. ठीक है? Step 1 done. Everybody has already got it. Check your chat. You've got it. Okay? Chalo. Now step 2. Step 2. Out of these 1343 stocks, we need to find out our 15 to 20 stocks. हमें अपना 15 से 20 stock चाहिए, because we want to create a portfolio of around, let's say 15-18 stocks. From the 4-5 sectors that we have selected, you want stocks from that. Out of these 1343. क्या करना है? Let me show you. उसके लिए what you have to do is, you have to create such models. It's a trick question. Similar models I used to make, guys, 15 years ago for evaluating stocks. But now tell me, in the world of AI, is this making model Smart way of investing. And do you have time for this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you want a smarter way, right? So is this a smart way of investing? Making such models now and doing it? Or do you have the time for it? Do you have the time for it? No, 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 no. Yes, no, 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 no. Okay, perfect. No time. So let me do company analysis in minutes for you. Let me do company analysis in minutes for you. अभी हमने करा step 1. वो क्या था? I have found 1340 stocks for you. ये दिखा ना? ये ना 1340 stocks. And this will keep changing. Sometime it will be 1340, sometime it will be 1500, 1400. ये ऊपर नीचे आता रहेगा because of the market nature. Okay. So what we have done is we have found 1340 stocks for you. Correct? 1340. Now we need to find the stocks that you can invest. Correct? चलो आगे बात करते हैं. उससे पहले let's understand the amazing chart. Yeah, everybody focus on the amazing chart. Step 1. Only two things पे ध्यान देना है सबको. Profit that a company makes and the price of the stock. I'll repeat. Profit that a company makes and the stock price सिर्फ दो चीजें पे डिपेंड करेगा moving forward. And colors are very important. Red means falling, green means rising. So a company profit is falling and the stock price is falling. It's a no one cares company. Who wants it? Company का price is falling, company का profit is falling. No one cares company. Second, the price is rising but the profit is falling. My God, this is a complete disaster, guys. It's like you're paying more for a bad product. Okay, there's a bad car. People know it's a bad car, and the price, the quality of car is falling, and they are asking for a higher price. It's a disaster. Stay away. Third, now this third example is all the companies that I showed you, which name I had to hide. Okay, why? Because the profit of these companies are rising, but the price also has risen. Profit is rising, but the price is also risen. Risky company. Professor, you have told us what kind of companies not to buy. What to buy now? Tell us. In front of you. If the profit of the company is rising, step 1, very, very good. But the price is falling or has not risen. Actually, it has not risen much and the profit is rising. That is your multi-bagger stock. Have you understood the logic? Now we will do it in 1 minute. Have you understood the logic? Now we do in 1 minute. Can you give me a raise of hand? Because now I'm going to click a button and it's going to show you the companies. But give me a raise of hand if you've understood. Only then I move forward, please. Raise of hand. Everybody should give me a raise of hand. Nobody should be left. Outstanding. Let me introduce you to my quality plus alpha investing strategy. ये रहा आपके सामने. Thing will happen very fast, so focus. We go to screens, and now I have a DrFinance quality plus alpha investing strategies. Out of those 1343 companies that you saw, when I click this button, it will give you all good quality companies that you can choose from. उसमें तो सब कुछ है, good and bad. These 1343 companies that I showed you, this has good also, bad also. Now let's find out the good companies for you by clicking a button. My DrFinance Alpha Investing Strategy. It's a fundamental small cap scanner, and now you're down to 86 companies only from the 1340 companies that I showed you. Give me an MB in the chat if this is outstanding and doable. An MB in the chat. By clicking off a button, you're able to find out good quality companies, okay, already got so many MBs. An MB in the chat, it is outstanding and doable, guys. Yeah, then I'll show you how it has been done and what you can do. An MB in the chat, this is outstanding and doable. I will repeat, but an MB in the chat before I move forward, it is outstanding and doable, and let me show you how. Outstanding. Okay, so guys, I will repeat quickly. I will go to screens. And now I will find out my screen that I've created, my DrFinance Quality plus Alpha Investing Strategy. I click on this and it gives me 86 companies. Good. Now these are good quality companies. 86 good quality companies from the 1340 company that I showed you earlier. ये वाली companies Now what you need to do, let me show you first one thing. Why did I show you the amazing chart? देखो कैसे बना है इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. This is the reason why. See, market. I have made it on the basis of this. Some of the things. Market cap is greater than 500. Market cap is greater than 10,000. Sales grow 10% for the last 10 years. Profit grow 12% for the last 10 years. Return on equity, average return employed. Some of the logics I have given it so that you can get the results in a click of a button. Okay. Before I move forward, how many of you want this premium scanner? Give me an AI in the chat. How many of you want this premium scanner? आपको बनाने का जरूरत भी नहीं है. You can take this and you can do it. Can I have an AI in the chat team, please note? This scanner we don't give out, but I only give out if I have like 98% people giving me a AI in the chat. 98% people, no more, no less than that. Only when no, I've just got 85% till now. No. Okay, now it's rising. I've got 90% plus now. Only when I get 98% AI in the chat. I have like 94, 95% now. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, I'm over 98% now. So as promised, this scanner will also be given to all of you, all the serious people who are there till the end. ये वाला scanner भी आपके लिए. Okay, good. A quick raise of hand if it's good, because now I move on to one of the most interesting part of this of the workshop today. Yeah, can I have a quick raise of hand from everybody? Good. Sure. अब क्या करना है basically guys? Out of these 80 odd stocks that you see, you can find out the 15, 17, 18 stocks as per your sector. You can find out those 15, 18 stocks, and that becomes a good portfolio. And उसमें से 30 to 40% will do really, really well, and that will be enough. Okay? अच्छा, आगे चलते हैं. So now you're down from 1350 to 80 quality stocks to choose from. But tell me one thing, guys. Is the current market volatility worrying you? ऊपर नीचे इतना सारा हो रहा है. Is it worrying you? Yes or no? Yeah. Not sure if this is the right time to invest or buy stocks. Honestly, honest. It's okay. You have to be honest with me now. Yeah. We've been talking since a long time today. Okay. Perfect. Let me show you what are the learnings from the past crashes. Okay. Let me show you learning from the past crashes, and I made something for you. On basis of real data. Wars versus market. How do global conflict and past market events shape your returns? Look at the screen. This is very, very interesting. 9/11 attack in 2001 जो हुआ, Sensex fell 6.6% in 1 month, 0.18% in 1 year. In 3 years, it gave 71% return. Dow Jones, which is the US market, just look at what happened. 2% down, 11% down, 3 years, 8% up. Okay. Second, Iraq war. Look at Sensex. Just look at Sensex. 6.5% down when the Iraq war happened in 2003. Okay. No, India was not involved. In 1 year, 70% up. In 3 years, 242% up. Let's go down. 26/11 attack in India. Very bad event. Sensex, 3 years में 74% up. Okay. US-China trade war, 3 years में 50% up. And lastly, Russia-Ukraine war, 3 years में 37% up. Okay. Let me go down and show you what does it mean. Key takeaways क्या है? Initial reactions are event driven. Market adjusts as uncertainty becomes clearer. 1 year outcome tends to normalize. Long term return remain driven by earnings and growth. And India में तो earnings अच्छा हो रहा है. And diversification helps absorb geopolitical shock. Have you understood this? Will you now have to ask people what to do? No? Self-dependent? Can I move forward please to my last segment, which is very, very interesting? Okay? 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 Alright. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Let me show you how it is done. Let me show you how it is done. Okay. Now, okay. Some of the recent multi-baggers. Multi-bagger stock one. Look at the screen. Had to remove the name again for the obvious reasons. 11,700% return. 117 times your money. In what? How? In a matter of, 2 years. Multi-bagger stock to 12,000% return, 120 times your money in a matter of 4 years. Not all stocks will do such well, but even if 20-30% of your stocks do well, they will give you humongous return. Stock 3, a 23% return. I had a similar stock, not a same one. This is a defense stock. I had a similar stock, not this one, but I sold off early. This gave 23% return. Guys, question everybody should ask me right now, is it too late for multi-bag return, Professor? Yeah, you're just telling, oh, don't buy this stock, don't buy that stock. Absolutely no. The real question you should be asking me is when to buy and what price to buy these good fundamentally stocks. Okay, अब बताता हूँ कैसे करना है and AI will do it for you. Introducing for everybody my Techno Funda stock analysis using AI, which can help you decide if you should buy a stock right now or not. Would you want to know that, guys? This is so simple. I don't know why this has not been told. Would you want to know that, guys? Honestly, yes, yes. Okay, chalo. Abhi batate hain. Yes is left, right, and center, and so many raise of hand in front of you. This is called as phase identification, and it really works. क्या मतलब? क्या मतलब? क्या मतलब? In front of you, look at the screen. Almost all the stocks, no, all the stocks goes through 3 phases. Stage 1 or phase 1 is the accumulation phase when people are slowly, steadily buying. देखो, ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं हो रहा. Between a range, buying, selling happening, people are accumulating the stock. Stage 1. Then comes the stage 2, which is the big move. See, sudden big move happens in stage 2, and then comes the stage 3, which is called as the excess phase. You have to get out at the middle or somewhere in the center, 50-60% of the phase 3. I will repeat, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Now, you don't need to enter at 1, you don't need to enter at 3, you need to enter at stage 2 and get out somewhere in the middle of stage 3. Have you understood that? Have you understood this? Let me show you with an example, multiple example, because I want to understand. I want you to understand that it happens with multiple stock. I have not removed the names here. You can see the names also now. इसमें मैंने names भी रख दिए. ठीक है? Accumulation phase, DLF में क्या हुआ? 2011 से 2011, 10 years till 21. The stock was being accumulated, nothing major happened, ऊपर नीचे, up down, and suddenly in 2021 middle, in 2022 actually it started skyrocketing from 200 to 300 levels to 900, 3 times your money in 1.5 years. Second stock, Titagar Rail System in front of you, stock being accumulated from 2008 to 2022. कितना है? How many years? 14-15 years. Nothing happened, less than fixed deposit return. But in 2023 end, the stock from 200 went up to 1900 in a matter of 1 to 2 years. Wow, that's the power of, let's say you got at 300. You did not enter at 200, you entered at 300, 400. And you got at 1600, not at the top. You still made 4 to 5 times your money in a matter of 1 to 2 years. Yeah, third stock. This is a big stock. I wanted to show you multiple stocks. This is a big stock. Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Again, real chart. Multiple times it's happening. Accumulation, big move. See big move here. If you get in, this is again accumulation. Time wasted here for 4-5 years, nothing happened. Suddenly big move in short term. So I wasted, big move, nothing major happens, big move. What is the logic? Before I tell you the secret sauce and how to do it, the logic is simple logic. Don't get stuck in the long accumulation phase. Try to find out the phase 2 and then you enter there and get out the stage 3. Before I tell you the secret sauce, I want to know and I want to ask everybody, which stage should we enter? 1, 2 or 3? Which stage should you enter? 1, 2 or 3? Let me see how many of you can tell me. Which stage should you enter? 1, 2 or 3? 1, 2 or 3. I want to see how many of you understood. Wow. Outstanding. Outstanding. You are right. Before I tell you how to do it using AI in minutes, the answer is stage 2 and I've got it from everyone. Now the second question, which stage should I get out? 1, 2 or 3? Which stage should I get out? 1, 2 or 3? I want maximum answer in this one. Which stage should I get out? 1, 2 or 3? 100% right. 100% right. Almost 100% right. It is stage 3. You are absolutely right, sir, ma'am. Yeah, 99% right. Yes. Now, before I tell you how to do it, guys, in front of you, look at the screen. You need to tell me which is India's biggest company, and अब कोई गलती नहीं करेगा. Now nobody can do a mistake because I've already told you today which is India's biggest company. Can you tell me? India's biggest company. You can write the short form also. India's biggest company. India's biggest company. Last time. Right, sir. Right, ma'am. You are attentive. You are focusing. I am so happy. The answer is in front of you. Reliance Industries. इसमें भी हुआ. It happened in Reliance also. Such a big stock from 95 to 2006, 2007. Yeah, almost 12 years. No major up move. Then sudden blast. Again, in for 8 years, no major up move. If you get stuck here, 20 years gone. But in 2017-18, this stock started enter into phase 2, and look at what happened. From 200 odd level, it went up to 1600. If you got at 300, not 200, 300 pe gaye, you got at what? 1200, 1300, 1400, you still made 4 to 5 times your money. Now let me tell you how to do it. You've understood, right? That how it works? Can I show you now? Yes? Stage identification using AI tools in front of you, and I'm going to be using a tool called as Perplexity, and this is an amazing tool. I will also tell you about something about this tool that you need to know and how you can do it. Let me show it to you right away. Okay? कहाँ जाना है हमें? Okay, I will quickly go here. Everybody can open Perplexity. Okay, or you can, maybe you can just see under Perplexity this section called as Perplexity Finance, which I'm using. Okay, this is the Perplexity Finance section under Perplexity. Okay, अच्छा इसमें कहाँ है? This is an amazing thing, guys. Okay, let's do for a stock everybody knows. Let me first show you Eternal, Zomato. Okay, this is Zomato in front of you. Can you see Zomato's chart? Yes or no? Quickly, can you see Zomato chart? Yes or no? Everybody, can you see yes or no? I am going to be telling you how to find the stock stages. Yes, in a minute. In a minute. Can you see that? Okay, perfect. Before I tell you how to do it, guys, see, it gives you everything about Zomato. The entire chart. I will go here. I will see the maximum chart. It shows you from day 1 to 2021. See, to till date, entire chart. Everything about that stock is here. This is an amazing tool. Financials, learning, historical data, analysis, everything. ठीक है, चलो ये बाद में करते हैं. Let me tell you how to do it. First, open Perplexity Finance and find the company you want to do it. Here you did Eternal. You can do it for any company. Now, I have an amazing prompt tool that I have made for this. This is a very big, very premium tool. Let me go and copy it from the beginning. Stage identification prompt. Okay, उसको कुछ देना पड़ेगा ना. We'll have to tell them what it needs to do. Okay, it's like waiting for our question. What needs to be done? I go and copy this 4-page prompt. 4-page prompt because doing a lot of things. Go back to Perplexity and just paste it here. Okay, and press enter and let's see if it works or not. Let's see. I'm not tried. Yeah, I'm not tried. Let's see. Okay, and it starts giving us the results in minutes. Of course I have tried it. Okay, let me show you what is happening exactly in minutes. Okay, Eternal is currently closer to stage 2 accumulation early market phase than a tight phase 1 as a blow off or a blow up, but with mixed signals that argue for a major pullback. Okay, let me come the answer. Let me show you the answer. You can read if you want to. If you want to read, you can read. Over the last 3-6 months, Eternal showed deep correction. Recent session shows trending higher. Short term. Okay, anybody wants to trend is? Okay, let me show you where it is. Gently up, not flat. Okay, it is around stage 1 is what it's saying. Trying to enter stage 1 is around stage 1 is what it means. Huh? Volume has seen episodic spikes. Okay, delivery volume that time has dipped. Interpretation, volume is key, high on key section. If you want to read this, you can. If you don't want to, you can ignore. You just want to see these things. I'm sorry. Okay, just go here. Current stage, it is, however, note, okay, wait. Current stage, 2 accumulation, early uptrend, gradual up move rate, constructive volume holding, and it tells you in a minute which stage is the stock in. It is currently into stage 2 accumulation, early uptrend. Okay, final summary. Based on the above, Eternal is currently in stage 2 accumulation, gradually uptrend, emerging from a prior sideways. Okay, sideways, nothing happening major. Trend direction, uptrend, increasing volume, increasing exploding, moderate volatility, and also gives you what are the price levels to watch out for. But it says, wait. Last thing, it says, core stance, wait, buy on pullbacks, not chase breakouts. Understood? Give me a raise of hand or a MB in the chat if you think this is outstanding and give you in minutes. Which stage is it? Can you give me an MB? Up to MB banta hai. In MB in the chat, if you think this is doable, you can also do it and you can also use it to find out the stage of the stock. I want an MB in the chat from everybody because this is a very premium tool which I had made specifically for you, a 4-page prompt which can help you or which can help anybody to find out the stage. I want an MB in the chat from everybody. Everybody can have that. Then I tell you a very important thing. A very important thing. 2 things actually I have to tell you. Okay. Thank you for all the MBs. 1. How many of you want this AI tool? I want AI. How many of you want this AI prompt tool? I want AI in the chat. Team, please note, I want 100% AI in the chat, then only I move forward. Okay, 99% kar diya, chalo. I want 99% people with AI in the chat, then only I give you this tool. I want 99% AI in the chat. 99% people giving me AI in the chat, then only you get this tool. I crossed 90% way back, it looks like. My chat is flooded. Maximum AI I have got this time. Okay, we have crossed 97, 98%. We are closing on to 99 now. Cross now. Okay. Promised, as promised, you will also get this AI ultimate premium tool. All those people, serious people at the end, stay, mark your attendance, get this tool also. Okay? Understood? Sure. I will quickly move forward. Now, what have we learned so far? What have we learned so far? Quickly recap karte hain. Okay? Recap karte hain, but keep giving me a raise of hand. If you remember this, keep giving a raise of hand. Tools I keep changing. Powers of AI tools for investing. Yeah, keep giving raise of hand if you remember this. How to select IPOs in minutes. Type of mutual fund and choosing index fund for your portfolio. Economic and industry analysis using DrFinance Custom GPT AI. Choosing quality small cap stocks using screeners. Keep the hand raise coming up. You remember all these things, right? How to invest during a crisis. Keep giving me a hand raise if you remember these. And lastly, using stage identification prompt with Claude and Perplexity AI to time the entry of stock. Yaad hai ye sab kuch? Perfect? Outstanding? Alright. Now before I move forward, I need to tell you something. Anmol Gupta ji, a government employee, made over 12 lakh last year just by investing in stock using AI. Yep. Dr. Parna Kanodia ji made over 1.7 lakh last month just by using the right strategies. Yep. In front of you, Jitendra Valecha ji, a software developer, made over 4.4 lakh in 6 months just by choosing the right small cap stocks. And my favorite, A. Shiva Kumar ji, an IT engineer in MNC, made over 8.6 lakhs in 9 months. 8.6 lakhs in 9 months just by investing using AI. Tell me guys, would you like me to handhold you to create wealth? Yes or no? By investing in small cap stocks and mutual funds, would you like me to handhold you to create wealth by investing in small cap stocks and mutual fund using AI? Would you want me to do that? I'm getting so many raise of hands. I want yes in the chat as well. How many of you want me to do that? Yeah, would you want me to handhold you to create wealth by investing in small cap stocks and mutual fund using AI? Can I get your yeses, please? Outstanding. Amazing, guys. This is amazing participation. I'm just loving it, and hence you see my energy level. Let me tell you how. 3 steps to get wealthy and retire early. 1, small cap mastery using AI. 2nd, personal finance mastery using AI. And 3rd, small cap mastery using AI. If you learn these, you're going to be unstoppable. First, step 1, small cap mastery. And under the mastering the small cap module, I talk about analyzing small cap stocks using AI. Guys, you have seen the power of AI. You have seen how you can leverage AI to select stocks for yourself. Now you need a 15 to 20 stock portfolio. I generally get 15 to 17, 18 stock portfolio out of the 4-5 sectors that are good at the time. Okay, you need to find that portfolio, because even if you find 10 to 20% stocks wrong in your portfolio, problem क्या होगा? Your chances of multi-bagger return fall, because not all stock will become multi-bagger. 30 to 40% will. If you choose 4 stocks wrong, you are choosing 1 or 2 less multi-baggers in your portfolio, and that is the entire difference. I tell you how you can create that small cap stock portfolio using AI under this part. Second, 100 bagger mindset mastery. I've already told you, and you've seen my stocks as well, right? It is possible to create that kind of wealth in small cap. I tell you all about 100 bagger mindset mastery. Social media stock hunting, where information is the key. But with social media, not only the top 1%, everybody get access to information now. How to hunt social media for stock hunting, for information, will also be told you under Mastering the Small Cap. Those research and valuation techniques that can help you to create that portfolio that I'm talking about will be taught to you under the Mastering the Small Cap. Basically it will help you to build a small cap all-weather portfolio using AI. Guys, I'm again telling you, not all stocks will do well. Some stocks will do 10% return, 20% return, some will give you minus 10%, but 30-40% will give you 5x, 10x, 20x, 30x, 40x return. And that is more than enough to balance everything else. And I tell you how to select the all-weather 15 to 20 stocks. Those advanced strategies to master the small cap universe. Yep. IPO analysis using AI will also be discussed. What is basically that? You saw what IPOs can do. आपने देखा ना IPOs में कितना power है. But IPO selection, you saw kind of a basic environment where you can select IPOs, but there are a lot of other things in IPO that you need to know. Where the money is exactly going, use of proceeds. Okay, is it only going to the original investors, or it is going to the company also? These are some of the things which is very, very necessary to find, or to help you find the right IPOs, because correct IPOs can create a lot of wealth for you. And I teach you how to select the right IPOs using AI. Balance sheet and con call analysis. Achha, before I move forward, how many of you know what is a con call? How many of you know what is a con call? Okay, very few. No. Yes, no. Yes, no. Con call means a conference call, and every company, after they come out with their financial results every quarter, does a con call with the analyst of the world. Therein they discuss those things which are not there, and the future plans which are not there in the balance sheets or the profit and loss statement. How to find these con calls, how to analyze the con call using AI, so that you don't miss out on important information about the future multi-bagger will also be discussed. Forensic analysis using AI. This is very important, because specifically in small cap stocks, क्या होता है? The chances of fraud increases. Big companies you generally don't find Reliance doing a fraud or HDFC Bank doing a fraud. But small companies, the percentage of fraud is very high. So forensic analysis is very, very important when choosing small cap stocks. Now, tell me guys, how many of you agree with me when I tell you that the prices of real estate and rent have increased a lot in the last 3-4 years? Honestly, the price of houses and rent have skyrocketed in the last 3-4 years. How many of you agree? Yes? Okay, one of you say no, but rest says yes. What if, guys, not everybody has 50 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore to invest in the houses, correct? So there's something called as REITs. You can start investing in REITs with as low as 5,000 to 10,000 and participate in the real estate rally. What do you mean? How to select these real estate investment trusts or REITs and InvITs, and how to find that and participate in the real estate rally in some part of your portfolio will also be discussed. And as part of the Mastering Small Cap, you get 15 ready to use premium custom GPTs, one for everything that you want. So if you want mutual fund analysis, you'll be able to do it yourself with the help of 15 ready to use premium AI GPTs. Mutual fund analysis. In short, all of that as a bundle is also part of this mastering the small cap. Okay, step 2 is personal finance mastery, wherein I talk about mastering foundation. Very, very important in personal finance, mastering foundation, which will help you to build a personalized financial plan using AI. So if you're in 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, or have any financial goal, you'll be able to make a financial plan yourself, and AI will help you do that. Okay, mastering tax plan. Guys, I as a family pay a lot of taxes. Okay, but I have created 5 tax saving strategies along with my CA students. Okay, to help you master tax planning. I'll be sharing you, and you'll be able to understand how you can save taxes through this mastering tax planning. You'll be able to choose the right mutual fund. Now, let me show you this. Let me show you how you can also choose the right mutual fund. Guys, let's say you are buying this mutual fund. This is not a good mutual fund. Don't go and buy it. Okay. Let's say you are buying this mutual fund. Okay. And let's see what is the expense ratio. 1.47% is what you will pay on every expense or every mutual fund that you buy. Listen to me carefully. But if you just click a button and now you go and see, clicking of button, you will just pay 0.65 or almost less than 1% now. Earlier it was 1.5, now it is 0.6. 8% on every investment you are earning extra just by clicking one button. What will happen with 1%, professor? Let me show you. Chalo, 25,000 SIP only you do. I'm not taking more. You'll be able to earn, let's say, 13% return. Over the next 20 years, kitna paisa banega? 2.6 crore is what you have to make. Now, because that 1 extra percent that I did, you will be able to make 2.93, which is how much? 33 to 34 lakh rupees earned by click of one button. By click of one button, these are just, give me an MB in the chat. This is mind blowing. MB in the chat, because when I saw this, it was like one button you clicked and you earned 33 lakh rupees extra on a 25,000 SIP. Wow. Agar 50,000 ka SIP है, imagine what will the amount you will save. MB is coming in left, right and center with all the raise of hands. Wow, so MB is what somebody has written. 5 MBs is what people have written. Please understand, this is just one of the things that I do when I tell people about mutual fund. Imagine learning so many other tricks about how to choose the right mutual fund, which can save you and make you lakhs and crores of rupees. That is what we do. Also, I'll be talking about creating a multi-bagger portfolio using AI. Guys, when we are creating a portfolio, we just don't need stocks and mutual funds. That is very important part. But uske alawa, we need a lot of things. Yeah, NPS, corporate bond, a lot of other things, RBI bond. How to make that portfolio using AI will also be discussed, so that you have a all-weather portfolio, including international investments. Commodities also will be included. When to buy, how should you buy, gold or silver, kaise karna hai, kahan karna hai, all of this will be included when we talk about multi-bagger portfolio, and also for people who want to play it safe. How to invest through ETFs, exchange traded fund, will also be discussed. This is a passive way to play the markets, India and abroad, in a systematic, cheap way. Or when I say cheap, low cost option for investment will also be discussed. Investment plan for each of your individual goal will be, you'll be able to make it yourself. Yeah. Credit card mastery. Which credit cards are good? I don't remember the last time I paid for my flights or hotel. Yeah, and of course, I like to stay at good places. By using the right credit cards. I'll tell you how and which ones. International investing using AI. I don't know if you know, in 2025 when the markets were falling, Chinese market was up 30%, Korean market was up 75%. If you're not, and US markets were doing very well, if you're not investing in international markets today, only stick to India, then you're losing out. How to invest in international markets using AI by sitting at your home, at the comfort of your home, easily, will also be discussed here. I help you create trust structures. I help you talk about fixed income mastery, NPS and bonds. Yeah, how to choose bond, how to invest in NPS. If not, how, everything will be discussed under fixed income mastery for people who want to invest lump sum amounts, and lastly, to help you pick the right health and life insurance will also be discussed. Lastly, before I move forward, I have to show you this. Some of the people who attended this mastery program, has left us things that I can share. They wanted me to share with you. I picked fund that actually matched my financial goal, and to my surprise saw a 12% return in just 6 months, feeling more confident. I love the tax module, especially how small chain investing saved me 22,000 taxes. I always thought one needs a lot of money to invest in order to get more money, loving the investing modules. This is what people have told us, and I thought I will share it with you. You can also make use of it. Now the last part, step 3, the trading mastery. Guys, under the trading mastery, I tell you of all the essential trading tools and platforms. Yeah, basically it's a technical analysis mastery using AI for your investment. You just saw the 3-phase story. I add charts and indicators to it. Guys, it's about predicting the future. Nobody can do it 100%, but we are adding more things to predict it in a better way. We are increasing the probability. Okay, so we use charts and indicator. I give you a techno funda winner formula. A techno fundamental formula, which is a combination of technical analysis and a fundamental analysis to give you the right way to find stocks and invest. That is my techno funda winner formula. Top chart patterns to time the stock entry. When to enter the stock, how to enter it, because everything is how you enter these stocks and how you select these stocks. Lastly, a master AI prompt. The technical analysis and the fundamental analysis help you find good stocks and funds will be shared with you. Give me an MB in the chat if you think this is outstanding. Okay, amazing. An MB in the chat, this is outstanding, guys. Yeah, an MB in the chat, this is outstanding. Yes, how to get this? Okay, sure. I will tell you. Give me like 2 minutes. Outstanding. Keep it coming. Yep. Okay. Apart from the learning that you saw in 3 phases, yeah, 1, 2, 3, personal finance, small cap, and trading, you also get 100% query resolution with weekly live calls with me. Any query that you have, you can come to the weekly live call and get it answered yourself. 100% query resolution by a SEBI registered investment advisor at your service every week. Yeah. So guys, I'm telling you, weekly live call. So no matter how silly or how complex your questions are, never feel alone. I am there, and it's not that you get it for 30 days or 1 month, 2 months. You get it till the time you want it. I have given you access till whenever you want. So basically, lifetime access to all my weekly live calls for you to get your doubts solved. So learning is given, doubts are solved 100% with weekly live calls with me. You also get one-on-one finance buddy. Yeah, a finance buddy trained by me for you. So if you want, as per your availability, you can get your doubts solved as per your schedule with your finance buddy. Like this, give me a raise of hand, then I show you one very, very interesting thing which will blow your mind. Yes, like this. I mean, I know. People love it. In front of you, you also get, I told you, 12 Dr. Finance custom GPTs which I've already made, and 3 are on the way. These custom GPTs will also be given to you. So let's say you have a mutual fund portfolio you want to analyze. वो already analyze करके बताएगा how it is yours and what is the problem, what is good. Okay, finance sector analysis tool, mega IPO analysis assistant tool, which is more and also complete portfolio optimization engine, your tax optimization coach, also your Dr. Finance ultimate personal finance coach. All of it specifically made by me for a particular thing. Okay, understood? Exactly. Okay, what next? Guys, not only this, I also give you a investment tracker tool. Okay, let me show it to you. I've created this tool for everybody. ये क्या है? It starts with the finance diary. All your information, people make money, the family members don't know about it. I've seen it so many times, so I created this finance diary. You leave all your information here for yourself and share it with the right person, or maybe keep it in the right place. So something happens to you, people know, or maybe it is for you. You create this diary, have all information at one place. Okay, just mention once your few inputs for yourself. This is with you. Okay, only for you, nobody else can see it. Enter your salary and all the income, all the outflow, you get your exact calculations. Your existing portfolio, just mention once. Once you do mention these things, your emergency fund is automatically calculated. How much money you already have and where should you keep it for emergency fund. Apart from that, you get automatic asset optimization done for you. Listen to me. Depending on your age, let's say you are 40 and you are a medium risk taker, it will tell you, should you, as per what your information you have given it earlier, what should you buy? It tells you more of stocks. Passive investor, it tells you how much percentage you have and how much percentage you should sell. All of it done automatically for you. You don't have to do anything. Automatically done. Then you can calculate your retirement number straight away. It is done. It is doing it for you. It has taken all the information which you have given it earlier. Okay. So let's say you are 40 years old and you want to retire at 60. It has taken 70,000 automatically from earlier figures that you have entered. 80 you retire, 20 years remaining, 20 lakh you already have. You need a 4.5 crore corpus and you need automatically it is done. You have all the numbers at your disposal. Let me show you something interesting. It also has an AI insight tool for you. It will give you all your AI insights at a click of a button. Just refresh it and give you all the AI insights. You want to click your asset allocation? ये देखो summary यहाँ पर आ गया. You want your cash flow? All your summary is here. You want your retirement number? It is here as what you have filled earlier. And I have one more thing. Let me show it to you. Oh, this is it. This is it. What I want to show you. An index fund calculator dashboard I've created for you. You just need to write what kind of index fund you want. Small cap, mid cap, large cap. Depending on when you're doing it, it will start giving you what kind of fund is the best in the market. You don't have to go anywhere. How many of you want this tool? Give me a yes in the chat. How many of you want this investment tracker tool? Give me a yes in the chat. A yes in the chat. Let me see. A yes in the chat. कितनों को चाहिए? Okay. A yes in the chat. How many of you want this tool? Just fill up your personal, some of your details. Sheet is with you. All these things are calculated automatically. Can I have a yes in the chat? Outstanding. Okay. All those people who have given yes and all the other people who want this tool, all of this tool will be given as part of the mastery program to you also. You get it. Okay. What next? Acha, this program, let me tell you who is this program really for. I want everybody to get into it, but this can benefit. Let me tell you who. This program is designed for working professionals, business owners, salaried, housewife, retired, and students. Yeah, so if you are in one of the 6 categories who want a jargon-free approach to the point, this is for you. Okay, but to make the most of it, you should be able to spend 15 minutes a day. So can you spend 15? Can you write 1-5 for me? 15 minutes a day. Can you spend 15 minutes a day for yourself? This program is only for you if you can spend 15 minutes a day for yourself. Can you do 15 minutes a day for yourself? Can I see 15? 1-5 in the chat from everybody. 1-5, 15 in the chat. 1-5, 15 for me in the chat. Outstanding. Okay, so magic of 15 minutes. Let me tell you how should you get. People are asking how can I get it. This is amazing. Magic of 15 minutes. You can select high performing mutual funds and implement secret strategies. You'll be able to select good quality small cap stocks, ensure a comfortable and secure retirement, save for major life goals like buying a house, traveling the world, or funding your child's education. All of it just by spending 15 minutes a day. Yeah, okay. How to get it? Before I tell you, money saved is also money earned, guys. Kya matlab? By doing this module, what people have told us, that on average, they were able to save 90,000 per year. Saving, not extra return. Extra return की बात ही नहीं कर रहे. On an average, people are able to save 90,000 per year. Imagine you are able to increase your investment by 90,000 every year. And putting this 90,000 every year in a decent mutual fund, you'll be able to make 1.06 crores by just the amount of saving after doing this module. Yes? So, if I have to sum it up for you, this masterclass is learn anytime. Recording of all sessions are made available for you. Okay? Unlimited doubt solving session, guys. Unlimited doubt solving sessions every week for lifetime. It's a 24/7 365 lifetime access. You get all the lessons as well as recordings. All the live classes, all the live Q&A, you will also get the recordings later on. You get lifetime updates to all the advancements. You get best-in-class support with a dedicated WhatsApp number, and you'll be able to choose high-quality small-cap stocks and top mutual funds and trading techniques. Got it? Okay. Before I tell you how and who all can get into it, some of the students who've already done and earned good profit have shared some recordings with me, but I will not play it right now because of paucity of time. But what I'll do is, I will show you what they have told. I will show you, not play it. Mayank Garji became he's a senior IT manager, 30% profit in 8 months. In front of Hemanji, 72-year-old man started using AI for trades. Yes, who next? Rajshekhar Raji, a 44% return 6 months after doing the program. Yeah, Madan Raji, he was able to save a lot of taxes, guys, lot of taxes. Next, in front of you, Jay Shankar ji, my first Canadian student. She's doing pretty well for herself. Anish Shukla ji again saved a lot of money in taxes. Arvind Bhavaskar, in front of you, 52% return in just 7.5 months after the program. We have Sanjeev Gupta ji, 93% accuracy rate just because of AI. And lastly, Anju ji, a housewife. She started investing after doing the program, and she's doing pretty well for herself. Okay, what next? Okay, let me play this one. Okay.
It's been an enriching experience attending Mrs. Vinny's class.
I was thinking to learn personal finance, but was not happening due to many reasons. Was my casual approach. One day I saw Dr. Finance ad on Facebook, and I decided to book intro session.
मैं डॉक्टर विनी अरोड़ा और डॉक्टर फाइनेंस टीम के सभी मेंबर्स को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि मेरे जैसे न्यूकमर्स के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट को समझना उन्होंने इजी बनाया है. एवरी टेक्निकल वर्ड्स को उन्होंने इजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, सो दैट सभी लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट को समझ सके और इसके लिए किसी पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो.
Introductory class was so interesting that I actually look forward to joining the course. I was not intending to do so, but things were explained so clearly and so concisely that I thought that probably I would be able to gain much.
I just recently completed the course, and a lot of things were eye-openers for me.
This was the first platform where I found a comprehensive knowledge about all the things, about all the form of investments. So that was one thing which attracted me. It was not just about trading or stock market or anything. It was a comprehensive knowledge about insurance, about credit cards, about how to manage your finance, how to pay your taxes.
Your session is so good, and it is very much helpful to all the age groups, the beginners, the experienced persons, everyone.
I'm also joining this workshop, and it is very helpful for us because AI is actually now a coming technology, so that it is very helpful.
The way he gives clarity on the issues, starting from the scratch and taking it to a detail level, is really phenomenal.
And your presentation skill and given detail plan attract me to do the course. Each session of you enhance my knowledge on personal finance, and I am correcting what mistakes I have done in past and should not done in future.
So we've done 3 sessions with Professor Arora, and we have done the question and answer sessions as well. And the classes are very interesting. Things are explained in a very simplified manner.
Actually, I'm from a non-finance background. I don't understand how finance works, and whenever I used to save, when it comes to saving money, I will always depend on third parties. I was not completely aware of what all options are available.
Okay, so I think a lot of it, I don't want to play the entirety, but yeah, you got a sense of what people wanted to say. Okay, so when you learn and implement from the small cap mastery, I'll be telling you who all can get it and how you can get it. You'll be able to choose potential multi-bagger stocks, high quality small cap stocks, get to know about mutual funds, how to choose them, and 5 tax saving strategies to save you loads of money. If not, I also have a 100% money back guaranteed. The best part, guys, I have not even had one request for it. Why? Because it has helped so much and so many to people. So I have so much confidence that I have a 100% money back guaranteed also. Now, the only thing that you need to do before you get it to it is you need to be a little fast, because it took me last time 9 minutes to get sold out. All the 30 early bird was sold out last minute, 9 minutes. You see, Pranav, we started 1:45, we were sold out at 1:54. So it took 9 minutes. Fast action takers will be able to get in faster. So just be a little fast to get it, okay? Before I have to close it off. Okay, so just to give you a quick recap before I tell you how to get it. Small cap investing, trading and personal finance program. It's a live coaching program. You're getting all of these: small cap mastery, personal finance mastery, trading, 12 custom GPTs, investment tracker tool, 1:1 buddy, and weekly classes. The total value is 2,40,000. But when I was doing this workshop, the normal investment before COVID was 2,83,300. Yes, but because I'm able to reach more people now, of course, more people through this online platform, 30 seats only. I have kept the fee of only 53,300 plus GST, and the best part, it is split across 13 monthly no cost installments. So fee structure, you just need to pay a booking fee of 4,100 plus GST today, and the same 4,100 plus GST no cost installment over the next 12 months. What you need to be done now? Just pay the booking fee. The scanner is there. The link has been shared with you in the chat. Pay the booking fee of 4,100 plus GST right now, and just give me a done so that your seat is booked. I will close it when I have 30 seats gone. Currently, just need to pay the booking fee of 4,100 plus GST. That is it. Nothing more. Book your seat and give me a done in the chat once done. The link has been shared with you. The scanner is there in front of you. If you have any question, ask me right now. Congratulations, Rohit and Rajesh ji and Vivek ji. You guys were quickly, very, very fast. That is fine, Shubha ji. You can do it. Okay, Vivek ji got it. Rohit ji got it. Prasad ji got it. Rajesh ji got it. And Sonal ji got it. Okay, perfect. Vivek ji understood. All right, great, lovely. So people who already enrolled, that is good. Give me a done once you are done, and so that we can quickly move forward. Okay. So Radha ji says done. Yes, Priji, of course. Shrita ji says done. Just give me a done, guys. Remember to give me a done once it's done. Scanner is in front of you, and the link has been shared with you in the chat. Welcome Astha, welcome Aditya, welcome Anish, welcome Rohit again. Okay, I think we have 8 seats already gone. Hello Shubhangi ji, welcome, done. Evenings, Anup ji, evenings. Weekend. Okay, weekend evening. Okay. Okay. Any question that you might have, my team is there to help you out. I am there to help you out. But remember to give me a done, because I will be closing it at 30. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Help Anup ji team, please help Anup ji. Okay. Any other question you might have? Rohit ji says done. There are 3 Rohits who have joined in the first 10. Okay, first 12. The 12 are gone is what I've been told. You get recordings, Harshada ji. You get recordings. It'll be done, Utsav ji. Hajom ji, welcome to Mastery program. Velan ji, welcome. Dhruv ji, welcome. Weekend evening, Jayadatta ji. Okay. Any questions you might have, give me a done. Hello, Rajesh. Okay, we have 15 seats gone now. Welcome, Rajesh ji. Perfect. Harminder ji, welcome. Radha, welcome. Lovely. Okay, so guys, if you have any question regarding the program, you can tell us. You just need to pay the booking fee of 4,100 plus GST right now to book your seat. Sumit ji, welcome. Noted. Yes, Shilpa ji, yes.